I only came here, not because you invited me. I only came to prove to you that I am a man of honor and that those things you are carrying there as grey beards do not signify wisdom, but an empty head. Simply because you are made the chairman of this community, you are smiling. It only shows stupidity. I want you to be very, very careful. Never you send any of those stupid boys to invite me to this your wretched house again, or I will send you to where you belong. Is that understood?
Ibetu, I know you are aware of the saying that if one man cooks for the entire community, the community will finish it in 5 minutes. But when the community cooks for one man, that man can't finish it until he is dead.
But
I sent for you and I'm glad you're here. Please, stop intimidating the youths. Stop making them feel like strangers on their ancestral land.
So you've grown wings. Now you can trade proverbs with me, is it not? I so pity you. Do you know why they call me Agune Chamber? I'm sure you don't. I am in custody of the certificate of existence of everybody in this community, including you and those your stupid youths. And I have the powers to withdraw that certificate at any point in time. So you better warn your youths. If anyone crosses my path, I will withdraw that certificate and I will send that person to oblivion. Is that understood?
You bet. As the chairman of this community, I want to strongly urge you. Let it be on record that I urge you to desist from your intimidation and harassment of the youth of this community. Please, I have done what I asked you to come for. My message has been passed.
I can see that you are getting carried away because we made you the chairman of the community. I made you and I cannot make you. When you talk of the community, Ibeto is synonymous with the community. So there's no stupid person that will send you to come and give me orders. And I'm warning you for the last time. If you continue like this, I will take that position from you and I will deal with all of you. Don't force me to withdraw your certificate of existence. You don't know that I am the lion in human body. If you do, you will not be doing this nonsense, this rubbish that you're doing. This is the last time I will warn you. Let's go.
So you came here to threaten me? You came here to threaten me with these two rats? Well, I've delivered what the community asked me to deliver. If you like, don't think about it.
Look at you! You're shouting, aye, aye, aye. I told you, don't ever pass through this road except you collect a transit visa from me. If you pass through here again, then you will know what I will kill you. Idiot! You can't do more than this. Even from
Brother, what happened to you? Who did this to you? What happened to you, brother?
Chief Ibeto. Aye, that man sent boys to beat me up just because I pass through the road they instructed people not to pass.
Brother, wait. You mean Chief Beto did this to you with his boys?
Yes.
God of orphans, where are you?
Hey.
Please, come to our aid and fight for us, please.
Kenna, we go happy God of orphan. Boil water for me to bathe. Oh?
Hey, brother.
Yeah, we go fast.
I'll be right back. I'm coming.
Hey, that good boy, man. Take it easy now. This is paining me.
Brother, I'm taking it easy. You need to massage this thing.
Hey, this man is very wicked. That man is so wicked. What do you punish him for this?
It shall never be well.
Yes, amen.
God of orphans will make him suffer.
Amen.
He think he has money. He can suppress everyone in this village. You see that his money will vanish one day. I promise you that.
Hey. Oh, this man, they pound me like fufu. Hey, they finished me. Aye.
Oh, brother, this is too much. See, don't worry. I need to go and report this matter to Mazen Bachu and report this case.
Don't. Just let him be, okay? Just let him be.
No, brother. No, brother. He needs to know, please. He needs to know. I need to report this matter in case of tomorrow.
Hey, do you want your...
Wait.
Hey, man, no boom.
Do you know why you're Be a man. Be a man.
That's not be a man. You know, you're able to catch pants. And that's him be a man.
It's okay. Hey, I am helping you. But just calm down. Let me do this.
Hey.
You see that boy, Bechi? He thought I was joking until I gave him the biggest beating of his life today. You needed to be there.
You see, they always like to challenge their elders. To Bechi, Ifeanyi and Chinedu, they are most stubborn boys we have in this village. But they must learn their lesson. We will teach them a lesson they will not forget in a hurry.
Tobechi, you are lucky. You are lucky that I changed my mind. If not, I would have killed that boy so that he can join his poor late father in his grave.
Imagine after all the warnings and instruction that no one should pass through that road. That the road is meant for me, my family and yours. He does. He's lucky that he was not killed.
You see that beating? Is his last warning. I am the custodian of the certificate of existence of everybody in this community.
But me, the exception.
Of course, we are together. And for him or any other person to pass through that road, they have to approach me and obtain a transit visa. If not,
Madam,
no, first of all, I will make them eat grass like goats. Then after which,
Madam,
which means more money. More money.
More money.
But Tobeshi, why didn't you inform us that yesterday that this thing happened, so that we attack those men with cutlass? Go Hajajana. Huh?
This is serious. Very, very serious. I still do not understand. How can he send his boys to beat you up like a child? Eh?
My guys, please calm down first, okay? Just calm down.
Tobeshi, don't tell us to calm down. Don't tell us to calm down. I feel like strangling those men. I feel like strangling them to death. Can you imagine? that no one should follow that road except their family. What kind of intimidation is that one?
You cannot do anything to those men. They are richer and bigger than you. It has happened, it has happened. There's nothing we can do. Okay? But these men, they have money. And with their money, they can suppress anyone in this community. Yes, we can't do anything. We can't even retaliate. Those men they are bigger than us.
Tobe, I am not happy. To be honest with you, I am not happy. See, I wish I can fight them. Okay,
then we talking it here.
How they collect land from the widow and suppress the orphans just because they feel no one can do anything to them. But very soon we are going to tell them that who have somebody is better than who have money. Rubbish.
Who do you have? Who do you have?
We have God now, and we have Chinedu. I not seen his mother.
Chinedu, that always talk jaja, and I have not seen him jar anybody.
Tobe, very soon.
You keep jarring with your spirit and your mind and your soul.
Very soon, Tobe. Very soon in this village you witness it. No, you watch it.
If I'm you, all this jaja is waste of time. Once somebody gets me angry, if I'm you, I'll come down. All of them will enter my place.
I think I will try that.
Me?
I don't believe those old men are serious about telling people not to pass through that way.
You know those wicked men? They are serious about it. And I must make sure I report this matter to the chairman of this community.
Bamba. Don't do that one. Because you doing that is bringing more trouble upon trouble to us.
Oma, it will not. I think the chairman needs to know about this. Because they cannot beat my brother just like that and go scot-free.
You are very stubborn. If you will listen to me, just allow the sleeping dog life.
Do you know why you are saying this? Because you did not witness what those men did to my brother. I don't mean you witness it. You will advise me to report to the local government chairman, not even the village chairman. I was not me.
Don't say that. Your brother is calling my brother too. What I am saying is let's just take things slowly. Let's take it easy.
Oma.
I know you are angry. Just calm down.
Oma, forget this, Biko. Forget it.
Calm down.
I'm coming down now. So what are you saying?
Down.
I'm going down. I'm not mad. Don't worry. Leave it. I will go and report them. They are not going to show me. Come, let's go. What are you telling me now?
Go,
Okay, Naya.
Mazi.
Are you trying to tell me that Chifi Beto actually sent boys to beat Tobichio?
Yes, Mazi. Mazi Mbachu. It was the same road issue that is causing this problem. In Afukwa.
But that's wrong. That road, and the entire village for that matter, belongs to everybody, not just a few. They can't make such decisions on their own. They can't.
Hey, Mazi kanjibu maka ibu onye eziokwu. Ibu onye eziokwu, Mazi. Mazi, please, something needs to be done. These men are making the youths feel like strangers in their father's land. We can't even walk freely again.
You're right. You're right. Something needs to be done. And I think I'm going to do something about it.
Darling,
I'm going to do something about it.
Thank you so much. Mazi, please try your best. try and do something about it. That is why I decided to pay you a visit and lay this complaint. Makaya Karigon is too much for us. Please.
See, this portends a lot of evil for us. But what I will do is I will go to his house. I'll go to Chief Ibeto's house and try and have a talk with him. I'll go and talk with him.
Thank you so much. Hey, if you see what this man did to my brother, eh? Hey!
Mbacho, so you have the guts to walk into my house and spew trash from that thing you call a mouth, right?
Chief Ibeto, I'm not here on my own volition, so calm down. I'm not spoiling for a fight. I'm here as the chairman of the community, and I was sent to tell you to open the Egbelu Road. In case you have forgotten, that is the only road the youths can access the river by to dredge sand, and the sale of that sand is their only source of income.
And who are you to tell us what to do? Mbatu. So, because you are so-called chairman, you think you can order us around, okay? Eh?
I'm talking about chairmanship. You are a chairman of who?
I don't know.
Me or Romanus?
God forbid. That can't be me.
Look, money rules if you don't know. You cannot be my chairman. I should be the one ruling you. In case you forget, I am the custodian of the certificate of existence of everybody in the community. And for anybody to pass through that road, he or she must come here to collect a transit visa from me. So you coming here to say nonsense about allowing people to pass and all that, you are just a fool. Now get out.
And go where? I told you the community sent me. What do I go back and tell them? Ibeto, Romanus, this matter has not been resolved. I'm going nowhere.
Oh, you can't go. So you value the people who sent you more than your own self. Now, do you want to live out of your own volition, or you want me to send my boys to throw you out of my house this minute? Choose one.
Ibeto, Romanus, it is obvious both of you have no respect for the office of the chairman.
Mbacho, I will advise you, make use of the door for your own good. Because if you don't leave, by the time you see what you're looking for, maybe the man in the chair will be removed and chair left for you.
Which chair? Both the man and the chair will be removed. Idiot. Get out! Idiot.
Bajo, are you telling me the truth that Ibeto sent his boys to throw you out of his house?
My brother, I've never been this embarrassed in my life. Not only did he do that, but do you imagine that rat Romanus supported him to do that?
Mbachu, but he made a mistake. Yes, you made a mistake by going to meet him. You can go and see the wife.
The wife, you say? The wife? Why are you talking as if you are not in this community? Eh? Don't you know that Ibeto's wife is as rotten as he is? Don't you know that both of them are birds of a feather, and that is why they flock together? They are peas in a pod. They are both as evil as each other. What am I going to meet that evil woman for? So she can heap more coals on my head? No.
Well, do you see Ibeto and Romanus? They think money is everything. They think with that their money, they can intimidate or humiliate everybody in this village. It's not possible. Okay, we see.
Can you imagine? You better told me to go and rule MNK people. That I cannot rule him. That I should rule MNK people. That is above my ruling. Just because he feels I don't have as much money as he does. Isn't it? Okwaya?
Well, my brother, you see those men, very soon, they will all die. Because all the villagers are laying curse on them. Those wicked people. Idiots! Kahabo.
Come to think of it, I think you're right. One day, those men will need the help of MNK people. And that day will be here to see that day. Don't worry. Karma always comes around.
I got a fool. Ebe oya na sword get do sword ya. Eh?
It's okay.
The way our husbands are treating the villagers, it is not good at all. Eh? Seriously, it is not fair. We need to talk to them, especially your husband.
My husband?
Yes.
Or you mean our husbands? Besides, the way our husbands are treating them is okay because they don't need soft hands at all.
Anne! Hey! Those widows and orphans are the people we're supposed to help. Eh? No, you are treating them like a puppet. What is wrong with you, Anne? Ah!
That is your own, oh. As for me, they don't belong to my class at all. So, they don't deserve any respect. See, let me tell you, let me advise you. If you need these people to respect you, you have to carry yourself where you belong. Otherwise, they will not even take you as another.
Respect, you said? You can't earn respect by punishing the people you're supposed to defend, Anne.
That is your own mindset. As for me, those poverty-stinking people are not in my class. They are riffraffs. In fact, I call them barbarians. So, just take your drink. They are not your problem. Just take your drink.
Hey! You will never change. What kind of a woman are you?
Drink.
Great Izuma, father of all wealth and fortune. Great Izuma, father of all wealth and fortune. The great Izuma, father of all wealth and fortune. Beto and Romanus, remember the covenant and promises you made to the great Izuma. Any day you break it, you both will die.
Grandmaster, we will continue to uphold the covenant. Nothing will make us go against it.
The great Izuma does not have mercy when he provoked. Be very careful whatever you do with the villagers.
Grandmaster, all the villagers respect our orders and opinion, except those 3 stubborn boys who have refused to listen to us.
Continue to torture them. Torture those boys. Because their suffering and pain will bring you more wealth and happiness. And also to the village people. And Tony,
Grandmaster,
the great Izuma is not happy with you. You have failed to bring the sacrificial lamb. And you know, the great Izuma will not spare you when the bells rings.
I'm sorry, Grandmaster. My wife is stubborn. She has refused to take the gift from Great Izuma. She wants to open it and know what it is all about. But as soon as possible, Grandmaster, I will soon convince her.
The Great Izuma, Father of all wealth and fortune.
Daddy, those girls are human beings, not animals.
Will you keep quiet? Which human beings are you talking about? They are riffraffs. They are not in your class. Their social status is diametrically opposite to yours. So you don't need to associate with them.
Nancy, your father is right. Ignore those girls. Show them that you're a daughter of a rich man.
So because their parents are poor, therefore I should not treat them well. I should not treat them like my sisters.
Shut up, Nancy! Keep quiet! Your father and your uncle are right. Those people smell of poverty. They will infect you with poverty. And besides, they are not your class.
Mommy, that is totally unacceptable. No! I cannot disconnect myself from my people. Never!
I love them! Then be ready to join them! Be ready to romance with poverty! Idiot! Why can't you join them? Okay. We shall see.
Children of this day.
So Chibibe to actually leave because it's on you. Insulted you and Oma. Because we are nothing.
Brother, the insults these men are giving to us in this village is too much. And the elders need to do something about this.
Kai, this insult is becoming too much. These men are well to do. We can't challenge them. That is just it. We can't.
How I wish there is something we can do about this. We can't continue facing this humiliation all the time.
My dear, we can't do anything. We are orphans. We can't challenge these men. The worst part of it is that the youths obey to their opinion. None of them is even ready to challenge them.
Brother, see, if Chief Ibe insult us like this again, I swear I will insult him back without minding his head. I will.
Don't you ever try that. Don't try it at all. Because you will cause more harm. Okay? Let us leave it to God Almighty to fight our battle. Don't worry.
Oh.
God will vindicate us someday. So don't bother yourself.
Ibensi. Rubbish.
You're gonna come here and have Ibensi.
Yeah, no, stick on. Brother, what are you thinking?
Kenna, I'm tired. Kenna, I am tired of all these things. I'm tired. I'm just tired of everything. Tired of poverty. Since our parents died, we're just feeding from hand to mouth, suffering. All this rubbish. I'm just tired.
But it's okay. It's okay, brother. I understand how you feel. But Thinking will not solve this problem.
Chief Ibeto and Romanos are another problem that we have. Instead of them to help their people and make them grow, they are busy suffering us. Like we are slaves. What is this? What is happening?
Have you tried to raise this issue to the youth chairman? It might pay him a visit and all this intimidation will stop.
That one? He's even scared of them. Yes. That will not get leave out. He's so scared of them. I think we all have to double our hustle and make money and become somebody in life. That way, people will respect you.
You can't fight these people. They are stronger than you. You can't fight them. You can't fight them.
Are you still talking? Chief Roman, deal with him.
Hey, 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 hey.
You are still talking.
Chief Romanus, hey.
Deal with him and stop talking.
Chief Romanus, Chief Romanus. I will kill your son.
I'll get off from there and kill
you. Hey, hey, Chief Romanus, I will kill your son. You are killing me.
Hey, have mouth to talk.
Hey,
still have mouth to talk. Beat him.
Hey, I want. Hey, Chief Romanus, I swear to God, I will kill your son.
Kill me there now.
Hey, 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 I want. Hey, I will kill your son.
Shut up.
I will kill your son. Hey, I will kill your son.
You dare challenge me?
Murder your son.
You dare challenge
your son.
Nonsense.
Hey, hey, hey,
nonsense.
Hey,
shut up.
Hey, I will kill.
Digress. 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 I will blow off your head. I will blow off your head.
So it's true that Chief Romanus' boys beat you up like this?
Fine, you see what they did to me. My own plot of land. For my own inheritance.
Hey! Wicked man. God in heaven will punish them.
Amen! These men are very, very wicked and heartless. For doing this.
Honestly, this is becoming so unbearable. How can we continue to live like slaves in our own father's land?
Chaligori, Ezioku. Chaligori. Kemesi.
Aku ja.
Onya wabu ja no nwe. Oh my God. My guy, mpa ja. Ka akuze ja.
Lili ka akule.
We are finished.
In fact, the youth leader must hear this. And the youth must intervene on this.
Yes. Hey.
Pity this.
Wonderful. Onye kwu n'okwu.
Mpa ja ka akubodo now. This intimidation in this land is too much. We can't allow these men to continue treating us this way.
Chegodi, so because he wants to take away the only land your father left for you, that's why he sent boys to beat you up this way.
My only inheritance, my only right, the only piece of land my father left for me, that is why they want to take away from me by force. Or the man. No mbacheke or the man. Maya Deba.
I think the youth leader needs to address this. This nonsense might stop.
Ifeanyi, don't even go there. Don't even mention Chuka at all, because even the Chuka you are talking about is scared of them. Nobody can challenge those men. You know, Koku youth leader.
We still need to see the youth leader today. We don't have to just start concluding on our own, okay? We need to know the next action to take.
But the truth of the matter is I tried though. No, I tried. If not that they are many, If not that they are many, I'm sure they wouldn't have overpowered me. Open not for 1 or 2 people. Oh God. I didn't need the Jatolia for Jatolia. You can't even beat 1 person.
Don't try me, I'll beat you up here.
Tobechuku, Nedu. I mean, you guys do not expect me to go and see those chiefs alone. They might end up harming me.
No, you have to go. You're the youth leader. So you have to go and talk on behalf of your people.
Tobe, why are you sounding like you don't know this man in question? Have you forgotten when they gave an order that nobody should pass through Egbelu Road or use the river? And nobody went there that day? And you're asking me to go there alone?
Chuka, just like Tobe said, you have to go. The truth of the matter is that you have to do something. We cannot continue living in our father's land like strangers. The worst part of it is that we can't even talk or move around freely again. You need to do something.
Not only that they took our properties with no mercy, they actually took our land and pushed us away. That is wickedness.
Anyway, Tobe, Nedu, I know exactly what to do. I know what to do.
What is that?
I will go there with some youths of this kingdom. I will go there with excess violence. At least they will know we are serious and we're not happy at all.
No, you're talking. They will also know that we have strong men, strong youth in this village.
I will go there. We will cause violence.
See, Chuka, I'm ready. Whenever you call me for us to go, Chuka, I'm ready. Because this nonsense is too much.
You go with me. You guys will go with me.
Of course.
I will cause violence.
Not you guys, you go. Not you guys.
I will go.
Now I will go with you.
No problem.
I will go with you.
I know what to do.
I'm ready.
I know what to do.
Make him out, yeah.
I know what to do. I will cause violence.
I'm proving
and they will feel it.
What is the meaning of this? What are you doing in my compound?
Chief, my name is Chuka. Yes. And I am the youth leader of this kingdom.
Yes.
And with me here are some of the representatives of the youth of this kingdom.
Yes.
Chief, we have come to tell you to allow us enjoy our father's land in peace.
Yes. Chief, we need our freedom. This is our father's land. We need to enjoy our father's land. Our freedom! That's all we need. Exactly. Our freedom. So, you are not scared. You are not afraid. You have the audacity, the temerity to walk into my compound to challenge me.
Chief, nobody is here to challenge you. Just the other day, Chief Romanus ordered his boys to beat Chinedu mercilessly.
Just imagine.
Chief, we want you to allow us enjoy our father's land in peace. And that is all.
That is all.
So, you are here with these boys to fight me. Let me warn you. The next time you try this, you will all join your ancestors. Shut up.
So, you're still talking. Do you know why they call me the lion? No, do you know why they call me the lion? Can you imagine that? They have the audacity to walk into my compound to threaten me. Next time if they come here again, look, shoot them, don't even call me, just kill them. Yes, boss.
Better, let's go.
Idiots! Let's go.
They are good for nothing.
you need to see how those boys were raining bullets at us. I swear to God, it was just by God's grace that we managed to escape. Eh?
Even when we were there with the youths, they insisted and released bullet.
See, this was the reason I said I wasn't going there alone. Because if I had gone there alone, I swear, those men would have killed me and buried me like I'm a nobody. They would have killed me.
But Chuka, wait, Tobe. Were you not here the day I asked Chuka, whenever he's ready to go, you should let me know? No, whenever. At the end of the day, he didn't call me.
But I didn't see you.
Did you call my number?
I didn't see you. Okay.
Did you call my number?
I did not call
you. You didn't call my number. So which one you didn't see me? You would have called me on the phone. See, come to even think of it. How come all these small boys are terrorizing our village? Because we have a wicked and rich old man in this community.
Huh? Tobe, Nedu, you guys should not worry about it. I know exactly what to do. In fact, I believe the elders know what to do. In fact, come to think of it, I will go and inform the chairman. I think he knows what to do.
You just said it that you know what to do. And you're believing that chairman knows what to do. Who know what to do?
Because they will do something. It's a collective effort. Somebody will do something.
So you, the youth leader or the chairman, so who is the person that is going to do
something? What I know is that somebody will do something. I will inform him or I inform them, but somebody will do something. That's all I know. Tobe, I have to go. Nedu, I'll see you later.
Tobe, in the show that you have money. No, because I don't understand. He's the youth leader. He knows what to do. Now he knows he will tell the village chairman because he thinks or he believes he knows what he will do.
Are you not a human being? Or are you not a youth of this community?
But he didn't call me now.
An Afro-Chan.
If you see what happened today, could you believe that Mbacho with his boys, so-called village boys, confronted me? Me, Romanus, that I should return the land I collected from Chinedu to Fiakwa. Return Guinea. Same question you ask. I asked them.
No, wait. What will poor church rats use land for? I mean, land is synonymous with money.
Money.
So, do they have money? Can they buy cement? What would they need the land for? I don't understand.
And I asked them, what will Chinedu, or what can Chinedu do with that land? Can he afford money to build on the land? Nobody has answers to my question.
I have answer to that. He will go and put a pit latrine there. So when he goes there, caca, or sometimes he will go and pluck all these leaves, caca on top of it, use another leaf to clean bomb and do throw away.
They also accuse us. They say that you and I are not treating the youths well. And I ask them, should I go and break Central Bank to settle them? No. Even if they serve me, they do boy for me. Should I do that?
I'm totally confused. Are they saying that we should invite the youths to our houses? Then we'll be giving them breakfast, lunch, dinner? No. What do they want us to do?
They are lazy children.
Are we not good
lazy
in this community? Youths. We are magnanimous people in this community. Yes, and after all, what does the youths want? Their downfall is our uprising. When they become poor, we become rich. So, do they have lives? They are useless poor church rats.
Useless and lazy youths.
Honey, please, I want you to stop this attitude of yours towards the widows and the orphans in this village. People are complaining and I'm worried.
I don't go ahead and complain and talk. I don't care. After all, it's a free world. Anybody can talk whatever you want to talk.
Please, return that land to that boy. They said that is the only land his father left for him before he died. Will you please?
Rose, do you know how many of my land they collected when I was struggling? Or do you know how many elders I borrowed money that refused to return it? Even when I made money.
But you don't have to use transfer aggression to those poor orphans and widows. We're supposed to help them, not the other way around.
Rose, you're my wife, my sweetheart. As you can see, I am tired. I need some rest. So I will appreciate it if you can excuse me with these words, please.
Okay, I've heard you. Let's go to the bed, okay? Baby.
I think I'm okay here for now. I will soon meet you. Just enjoy it.
Let's go to the bed.
Romanus, don't release that land to the boy. If you do, he will sell it and use the money to fight you.
Thank you, Grandmaster. I appreciate it. All thanks to the great Izuma.
The pains of the poor will make you and Ibeto richer. So continue to torture them. Make them suffer. Don't ever give the villagers money. If you do, you both will die.
Grandmaster, we will continue to adhere to your instructions. We shall always obey you. Thanks to the great Izuma.
Anthony, you were supposed to come with the sacrificial lamb. Did she accept the gift?
Yes, Grandmaster. I'm here with piece of cloth, as you instructed.
Step forward and drop it here.
Grandmaster.
The great Izuma,
Father of all wealth and fortune.
Baby, wait though. Are you telling me that girls that fix lashes are prostitutes?
Oh, you don't know? Yeah? So you don't know before?
Wait. Are you saying that if I fix lashes, I am now a prostitute? Eh?
Not just that, you just go your way.
Baby, come on. Don't you know that by the time you make money and you become a big man and I become a big woman too, I will need to fix lashes now so that we look like all those city girls now. Those beautiful and sexy girls.
I don't want. I like you the way you are. I like Mokuku Igbo. Yes. Mokuku Igbo Tokare. Leave it the way you are.
Baby,
I'm not complaining.
That thing is fine, no. It's fine. Obi, is that not Chief Romanus?
He's the one.
Why is he staring at us like that?
I don't know. That's how he looks at people. Chifanya news. Not even Roman news. Let's leave here before he comes here now. I don't want his problem. Let's just go.
Oh, let's go.
Hey, Naya. Good afternoon.
Good day.
You're welcome. Thank you. So, is my baby around?
He went to check his trap.
Oh. Has it been long he left?
Not quite long. He just left some minutes ago before you came.
Okay, you know what, Tell him I came to see him, but I'll come back in the evening. Oh?
No problem, I will. If you matters. I'm waiting, no. I will tell him, okay?
Hi, pretty. How you doing?
Good afternoon, Chief Romanus.
Good afternoon. Why a pretty girl like you walking in a horse stand? Please, come in, let me drop you.
No, thank you. My house is very close.
Okay. What's your name?
Ifoma.
What a beautiful name for a beautiful queen. You see, queens like you need men like me to take care of them. So?
Well, thank you, but I'm not interested.
Really? Okay, please take this for your upkeeping.
Thank you, sir, but I'm not interested in your money.
What? I know. Hey, let's go.
The way Chief Ibeto and Romanus are intimidating the youths and orphans of this village are quite overwhelming, and we cannot continue to keep quiet. No, not at all.
Do you know, when they will know who I am and why they call me the son of Otogu, it's when they hurt any of the youth in this village, they will know me and know what I will do.
Very sure. Very sure. Those men are something else. Very wicked. But if they try to hurt any person else in this community, we will show them and will make them to face the whole community.
Not even show them. We are going to burn all their houses.
Burn them down.
Nonsense people.
Nonsense. The wicked will pay. Nonsense.
Lord, I put my trust in you. Makanibori lanyamo chimo ine kuronye na mareku nenoa. You are all I have.
You see that girl? I will snatch her from Tobechi with a twinkle of an eye.
You mean you gave that poor church rat 50,000 naira and she refused it?
She never knew it was 50,000 naira. She just saw the bundle of money and refused to collect it.
It was your fault.
Really?
Yes. Next time, announce the amount. Tell her the exact figure and you'll be surprised. She will just run after you, not minding your old age. Eh? I mean, who is Tobechi? That poor church rat. You know, women with money. Okay, just give her enough money and she will be yours forever. Trust me.
Have you seen Nancy anywhere around the house?
Is she not inside with you?
She's nowhere to be found.
Where could she have gone to?
When did she leave the house? Because we didn't see her going out while discussing here.
You don't know my daughter. As you are here talking, she can just sneak off and there's no way you will know. She moves like a spirit. Scorpio!
Sir.
Now you go to the village. Huh? Yes. Look for my daughter. Search everywhere. If you see her with anybody, no matter the number of people, bundle all of them here. Okay?
Woto, sir.
Now move.
Yes, sir.
I don't understand this girl. How can she leave the house without letting anybody know where she is going? What if they hurt her?
Anyway, it's alright, you can leave. But,
you mean they should bundles, they got them.
You watch too much of football.
I am so happy to see you. Thank you for coming. You're welcome.
You know, I love being around people, irrespective of my father's status in this society.
Try.
Hey, Mom, you're a nice person. Is you very good girl. You're just an opposite of your father. Yeah? Always open. I just pray that the sins of our fathers should not visit us, the children. Oma,
you are funny.
Oma is right, you know. God bless you. My father and I are two different people. Try, you know.
Scorpio, what is it? No, please. What is it? No, you should leave my friends alone, please.
Move.
No, they are not going. No, they are not going anywhere. What did we do? No, please, leave them alone. Leave them. Leave them alone. Leave my friends alone. What is the meaning of this? So, both of you idiots had the guts to invite my daughter over to your place to kill her, right?
No, sir. No. She came on her own. We didn't invite her over. We asked her to come.
We did not. Shut up. Sorry, sir. And you expect me to believe you, right?
Sir, I said to go to we did not invite her. She came on her own accord. We asked her to go, but she refused.
Liars! Some girls in disguise. Look at how innocent their faces look. They can kill, pretend to be holy.
We are holy.
Quiet!
You're not like that. You're not like that, though.
Now, listen to me.
Yes, sir.
And listen very carefully. I am going to hold two of you here for 2 weeks. Without food, without water. If you are lucky to survive it, then you may go home to meet your people. If you are not, if you die, I'll bury you here.
Dogs will have something to eat.
Oh no.
Now get out. What's that? Now run there. Tie them up. Go and tell my wife. Make sure my Hey! What have I said? Idiot. Come again!
He's an idiot indeed.
I said go and tell my wife to ensure my daughter does not leave this house again.
Alright, sir.
Idiot, get out! Can you see how foolish he is?
He's an idiot.
I don't even say anything here.
We better to sit down.
I'm pleading on their behalf. Kenna is the only sibling I have, please.
Oh, she's your only sibling. And she decided to disobey my orders.
Chief, I'm going to caution her. Immediately you release her. Please, make she a warning. Serious warning. Please.
That is if she's still alive by the time I release her.
Eh?
Yes. Because suppose she dies while in custody here, how will she listen to your cautioning?
Now listen, I've heard a lot about you guys when I was in the UK. And it will be in your best interest to leave this compound now before I lose it.
Oh. I'm sure you don't know him. You don't know him. This is Donald, the son of Romanus. You know, like he said, he was in the UK and he's here now. He's a very rugged person. If you do anyhow, you will see anyhow from him. Now, as for your sister and your daughter, I am not going to release her until I change my mind. And right now, my mind is not changed. Now, get out. Get out of my compound!
My daughter! Because my daughter!
Come here!
Dad, so this is true. You mean these village riffraffs come to the house to disturb you and occupy you every day?
Donald, mind your language. Who are you referring as riffraff? Your own people?
Of course, Mom. They are riffraffs and they should be treated as such.
Donald, please, don't mind your mother. She's always in support of the villagers. She always sees herself as one of them. That is the problem I'm passing here.
When you misunderstood me, Romanus, you led these people as if they are not human beings. Look, I don't support evil, and you know it.
Of course, Mom. They are not. These people are poor people and they should be treated as such.
Will you shut up and keep quiet? You think this is UK? These people are the people who are going to save you tomorrow, and you are here talking nonsense. God in heaven knows that I will not support evil. Never!
You are the reason this woman is still in my house. If not, she would have gone back to her father's house. She can only produce you. And I'm beating her because of you. But I think I have taken enough from her.
Daddy, please, I am the one at fault. I visited them uninvited. Please, release them. Please, Daddy.
Yes. You are very lucky. You are lucky that you are my daughter. If not, I would have tied you together with them.
Dad, please. These girls are innocent. I'm begging you, please, for my own sake. Release them, let them go.
Nancy, shut up and keep quiet. Why do you like associating yourself with those barbarians? Don't you know they are not your class?
Mommy, what are you saying? Those girls are created by God. And you never can tell what tomorrow will bring. Dad, if anything happens to them, I will tell the villagers that both of you killed them.
Nancy!
Let me come out here, my friends.
How dare you walk out of here?
Oliver, let her go. She doesn't know what she's doing.
Please, Romanus, please, I beg you, help me and talk to Ibe, to your friend, to release those girls before they die there. Yeah?
They will not die. We want them to remain in that place and learn their lesson. So when they get out of that bondage, they will know their limits when they reach.
Romanus, I am a mother. I feel their pains. They are people's children, Romanus. If it happens to be done out here, how will you feel?
Oh, Mom. Thank God it's not me. And it can never be me.
Yes.
Why can't you talk to your father as a man? Eh? Donald, don't do something that will affect you tomorrow.
See, Mom, there is nothing like that. We are rich, and with money, we can afford anything we want in life.
Tell her to understand that. That money answered all things.
Yes.
Donald, you are still a child. By the time you discover the differences between today and the future, you will know the importance of the poor.
Woman, poverty has no importance in the community. Poverty is useless, is a rotten egg, it's a virus. If there is any importance in poverty, maybe that might be in your father's house, not for me. And don't refer my son. My son is not of that level.
Sorry for you.
Ibetu, this is bad. This is unfair. And the likes of it have never been seen in this land. You kidnapped those girls, you have imprisoned them, and we are aware they have neither had food nor drink.
Hey.
Please, release them. Let me warn you that if anything happens to those girls while they are in your custody, you will answer to the authorities. As the chairman, I have come to instruct you. Please, release those girls.
You are very stupid. Yes. You feel you wear so much powers that you can come here and instruct me on what to do? You dare come to my compound to instruct me? Why did you both come here with this imbecile? He has only succeeded in spoiling your case. Who are you to instruct me? Anyway, because of these poor village women, I will release them, but on one condition.
And what conditions are anything we will do with people?
Well, as you know, I'm a peacemaker. I don't make trouble. They will just clean my house and that of Romanus for a day.
So
they can do that, then I will release them.
So we'll do it, sir. We will do it. Yes.
But just a piece of advice. Anytime you want to request something meaningful from anybody, don't use this poor church rat as a front for you. And his air of arrogance is repugnant, is disgusting. Idiot. Scorpion.
Yes, boss.
Go and untie them and release them.
Thank you, Chief.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Chief. Thank you, sir. Hey.
You know how to thank, right?
these people, they are stronger than you. You can't fight them. You can't fight them. They are stronger than you. If it's for money, they have money. Oh. I can't go far when go.
I can avoid that girl entirely. Stay away from her troubles. You know we don't have anybody to talk for us. Just have to be careful.
I've heard you, brother. I'll be careful this time around.
You can imagine how we were humiliated, even when we said the truth. You and Oma were tied with a rope for no reason. Just for no reason. Anyway, all thanks to the village chairman, Mr. Mbaju.
I think I will go and thank him later.
You don't have to. I've done that already. Yes, I've actually done that already. All you have to do is to stay away from all these people and their troubles. I'm warning you now. Please, oh, please. No, I'm saying it.
Are you serious? So you mean Chief Ibeto and Romanus tied up in Naija and the Oma without minding that they are girls?
Hey, that man is very wicked and heartless.
Those men have really dealt with us in this village. They've really dealt with us.
See, listen, guys. I think the best thing is that we should avoid these men at all costs. Because those men are very wicked. Not just wicked, they are heartless. And they can actually go to an extent of killing someone. Even use money to cover up the case. Maya deba, and abaka achotalo. So badro.
Money. Money. The root of all evil. This town. God, please, when are you going to give us this money? The intimidation is too much.
Okay.
Can you imagine that little boy, Chief Romanu's son, point his fingers on my face? If I catch that boy anywhere in this village, I'm going to kill that boy. In fact, I'll beat that boy, I'll beat that boy blue and black. Nonsense.
You just have to take this easy. You understand? For now, we cannot do anything. You understand? So that is why that whatever they present to us, we just have to accept it. Unless no like man to man, bone to bone. You not say okay, we can at least challenge them. But for now, we just have to pipe low.
Anyway, I see the boy in this village, I'll beat him. I'll beat that boy.
The boy.
They get money, they don't want to help others. They have money. Well, Chief Romanus and Ibeto. They are sons of America community. They're the richest people in America. All this money where una get, make una they help people. They have money. Anyway.
Is that my informant that I'm seeing inside that car? Of course. She's the one. Hey, wait. Huh? Is she dating Chief Romanus now?
Hey, John. But wait, please, to be aware of this.
I don't think so. Kai. Hey! Ifeoma. So this girl left my brother and followed this old man because of money. Mama, see, I need to inform my brother immediately. Let's go. Bia.
Everybody they pray
Mama, thank you.
to help one another. Makabwa fonye fulafu, akwa funa ngokweke, chompelo, kodayelo, fonye sibelora, orageri chakwa, mana.
Are you actually telling me the truth that you saw Ifeoma in a car with Romanus? Are you actually telling me the truth now?
Brother, will I lie to you? I saw Ifeoma inside this car laughing and discussing with him happily.
Hey, it was serious.
I am serious, oh! Huh.
I know that this girl likes money, but I can't imagine Ifeoma with Romanus, that old man, just because of money. Just because of money. Romanus.
Brother, do you know what? Just call and ask her. Call her! Why are Joy?
Are you sure?
I am sure.
Where Romanus touching and romancing her inside.
Something like that. Something like that, brother. Just call her.
And Ifeoma was
smiling on Naija. She was laughing, oh. Serious. Huh? Yeah. Easy, my heart attack. You don't have to think about that. Huh? Just call her and ask her. Call her.
My love, promise me that you'll never leave me for another man.
I promise. I love you so much. Nothing will separate me from you.
So you're saying that you're going to spend the rest of your life with me?
Yes. Babe, all those questions are unnecessary. I mean, we're in love with each other. Okay? I love you so much. And nothing, absolutely nothing, can separate us. Well, unless you start going for all those, village girls.
My love, I want to promise you that no girl in this village can take my heart away from you. Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm very, very sure, 100% sure. In fact, my love for you is blind, just like this. I'm not even saying. I'm not even seeing any other person.
Oh, babe.
I still cannot believe that Ifeoma and Tobe are no longer together.
You still don't believe. Huh? You don't believe. You're talking as if you don't know women. Bro, when money enter, women change.
Ifeanyi, you don't understand. The truth of the matter is that you don't understand. Ifeoma and Tobechi have been in a relationship for over 2 years plus now. I'm very surprised the way she suddenly changed immediately Chief Romanus came into the picture. It still baffles me.
You don't understand. Well, you don't understand, but me, I understand. What I understand is that you see women, they love money. And that girl, she love money even more than Tobeshi. So leave her.
You will not blame her.
Chief Romanus,
my guy, listen. You will not blame her. No woman, there is no woman in this world that doesn't like money. That is why I always advise you. Let's forget about relationship. You understand? Let's first of all try to make money. When we make money, there is no kind of women or woman that we cannot have. Listen, let me tell you, I don't believe in love. As far as I'm concerned, love is a scam.
Yes. Love,
you see me, If it's my girlfriend that left me for another man, my bossy, I will beat that girl and beat the boyfriend. To God who made me. That is why I don't care. You say anything love. It's not my thing. If I make money, if I make money, any girl that has been finding nonsense with me.
What nonsense? Yes. What nonsense? Yes. See the guts to walk out on us. Yes. Saying she will not pay the 500 naira. Hey. For what? For what? If she did not pay that 500 naira, if she did not pay it, she should not come back to this meeting.
Yes. Landlord.
She should not come back to this meeting again.
I support you.
No.
Only 500 naira she cannot pay. Yes. Madam, what nonsense?
Don't tell us the 500 naira.
We don't want to listen to you. We don't need 500 naira. She must come. Her presence is supposed to be here. She must come.
Madam. Yes. Keep your 500 naira.
Yes.
Bam. If as long as she has walked out of this meeting without paying that 500 naira, she should go. We don't want her in this meeting again.
Hey.
We don't want her here.
It's okay. It's okay. Just calm down. Just because of 500 naira. Let's just go on.
Who is she? Who is she?
Yes.
Who is she?
Child that supports you.
Who is she?
Yes.
In fact, she should not come back to this meeting again.
Hey, you just disgrace yourself before those women today. And that is bad of you.
Disgrace myself, you mean? Me disgrace myself? That I should have given those women 500 naira for late coming, or for what? People that will not even value my money, that I should give my money to.
Hey! Come on, 500 naira is nothing. It's something you can just give out like that.
Yes, it is simple. I can sacrifice 500 naira. But me, I will not give it to those women. Those hungry women, they will never value anything you give to them. I will not give them. Mother, you are so unbelievable. You mean you left the meeting because of ordinary 500 naira?
Yes, so.
Something that you can just give to a baby to buy sweets with. Oh.
Yes.
I can give 500 naira to a baby, but I don't want to give it to those hungry women. Jesus wept. I don't want to give it my money to them because of coming late. They are looking for who to feed them. I will not give them my money. No.
Hey! You will never change. We don't have to follow the footsteps of our husband. It's our duty as good wives to make them change towards our people.
Auntie, if you like, talk from now till next year. She will not listen to you. Thank God, you know.
My dear, I'm really disappointed in her. How could she break up with Tobe to follow other married men?
Anyways, I don't blame her much. Who doesn't like money?
What are you saying now? What are you saying? So if you were in her position, you do the same thing,
No, I'm not saying that I will do the same thing, no. But Tobe does not have anything. Does not have any money.
So yes, because he doesn't have money. she will not break up with Toby because of poverty.
I don't know.
To follow old man, I mean an old man because he has money. I don't seem to understand it. Wait, hold on. So if you were in her position, is that the same thing you would do?
I'm not saying it's what I would do. But shake it now. Toby hasn't made any money.
So she would follow that old man. On the ground of poverty.
If will you stand? If it was you, will you stand?
So because Toby has not made money.
No, I'm not saying that, but
what are you now saying?
Check it.
Yeah, I just think if she can reconsider her decisions and do the right thing. That's all I'm saying.
Anyways,
I'm not even here to support her. I don't seem to understand you. What kind of friend are you?
You see that girl before man? You better. She's very sweet. She's so sweet that I cannot let her go for anything.
Romanus.
Mimigo.
No. Wait. Don't tell me that she has accepted your proposal and you've already visited her local government headquarters.
Does she has any option? She has no option. After giving her 200,000 naira, she has no other option than to accept me.
You see?
Then the local government headquarters is in.
You see? You can see that I'm a very good advisor.
You're a woman contractor, WC.
I told you the other time. I asked you, how could you give her 50,000 naira without announcing it? You know these poor people. Now that you've given her the 200,000, I'm sure you announced it. You see now, the local government headquarters is now an expressway for you.
I am telling you.
You are a bad guy.
You are my master.
You are a bad guy.
Oh, Donald.
Yes, sir.
You're going out?
Yes, I want to go and see a friend of mine. I'll be back soon.
You are not going with the car?
No. I'll take a cab.
Okay, please. Be careful, okay?
Yes, Dad. Uncle? Yeah.
Enjoy yourself.
Okay, Donald. Do have a nice day, okay? Romanus, are you sure Donald didn't hear what we discussed about Ifeoma? Because I don't want him to go and tell your wife. Oh.
If they told you bother yourself about nothing. Donald is the only child given to me by my wife since we got married for a very long time now. She won't bother if I get married again. Of course she will understand.
Romanus, you're saying this because you have a very calm woman as your wife. Word of me. God gave me only one daughter. So of course I need other children more than you. But if I ever venture to carry another woman or girl, and my wife is aware of it, BBC, CNN, even our own DBS will carry the news.
But how could you do a thing like that? Your wife is endowed with natural endowment. In fact, let me tell you, if I am the husband to your wife, Anne, I will not be going out again. In fact, I will go automatic resignation from work because I will be sleeping in there morning and night.
Now I know you are a very wicked friend. No, you are selfish. Look at you going for the young pullets. You know, you visit all the local government headquarters and you want me to get stuck with an old woman. No.
I will even visit state secretary.
Let me tell you, the young ones, they replenish our body. They make the body to look very sumptuous. Don't you see that I'm looking young like this?
Look at him. Evil child. Like father, like son. Don't worry. All your evil will catch up with you people one day. And by that time, I, Chuka, will pretend like you don't exist. Look at them. Don't worry.
Kenna.
Brother.
I'm tired of staying in this village. I want to let you know that I'll be leaving for the city to look for a greener pasture. I can't be in this village and be doing nothing, roasting. I'm a full-grown man. I just have to go. I just have to go out and look for something to do for myself.
Brother, it's a good decision. Eh? But what will you be doing when you get to the city? And who will you stay with?
Okay, I have a friend of mine from Ameke village. Yeah, he stays in the city. And he has accepted that I should come and stay with him once I come to the city. Yeah, so don't bother yourself about that one. I'll be fine.
Hi, brother. I'll miss you. I'll miss you.
I will miss you too, my wonderful sister.
My wonderful brother.
Don't worry, I'll be sending you money for your upkeep. Okay?
Okay, as from 50,000. You will have money then.
No, I want to finish the money. I've not even made the money. I want to finish it.
Your sister.
Yeah?
50,000.
Me. Tobechi, the idea of you going to the city is a nice one. But do you have anyone in the city?
If I tell you this thing, if I tell you guys this thing, you'll be surprised. Do you know Ebuka? We attended primary school together now.
Ebuka?
Yes.
I know him!
Ebuka is a big monkey, but he has shoulder, he has ankle. As I was saying, Ebuka stays in the city. And he has accepted that he will harbor me whenever I enter the city.
Yeah. That's nice of him.
Yeah.
At least it's better than staying in this village. Huh? But please, Tobechi, when you get to the city, please don't forget us. Because I can't wait to join you there. Can't wait to be a city boy.
Hey, I'm seeing the city and seeing how much I'm making money in the city.
You are seeing the city already?
I tell you. Please do not forget to take care of my sister for me.
No worry.
Nkenna is like a sister to us now.
My sister also not do even vam.
We'll take care of her. But you should trust us. But remember also.
That's a nice one. Omaka. One of them have to go to the city. Makana, the intimidation is too much. Not the too much.
Mama Kenkebo, the intimidation is too much. So you know that somebody has to go to the city, and you've not told Ifeanyi, my brother, to go to the city since.
Why will I tell Ifeanyi? Ifeanyi has no one to stay with in the city. Maybe Tobe has someone to stay with. City life is not easy.
Tobe has someone to stay with in the city. And city life is not easy. Who will Tobe stay with when he goes there?
Who am I supposed to ask? All you have to do is to pray for him so that he will succeed. City life is not the same way it is in this village.
Mama, if I will go to the city, I will be happy.
So they have someone to go.
Mama,
Just try and be careful, okay? Stay away from trouble. If you see Chief Ibano and what's his name again? Romanus coming, just enter the house, lock the door and stay there. Okay? Do not look for trouble, please.
How about you, brother?
I will stay on my own.
If you're feeling lonely anyhow, just go to Ifeanyi's house and stay with Oma there. Okay?
No problem, bro. Brother, you will go to the city and succeed.
Amen.
No evil eyes will befall you.
Amen. Oh, my prayer warrior sister.
Yes,
Why didn't you put Rika Poku?
Riba Shosaraba Sakarabaya. You know I can. But one more thing. Please stay away from all those city girls. Eh? Just concentrate and make your money.
I want to come home.
No, concentrate because I need that money so you deserve it.
All of those boys have traveled to the city. Are you aware? No, Grandmaster. There will be war if he succeeds, unless if he does not succeed.
Grandmaster, please do everything possible to make sure he remains poor for the rest of his life.
The spirit of that young boy is very strong, and nobody can do anything to halt his destiny. But, Grandmaster, you promised that the pains and sufferings of the youth will make us richer. There are so many youths in that village that are suffering, and their wealth will be your wealth. Continue to frustrate them and make them suffer.
Hey, see money. Chief, all this for me?
Anything for you.
All this for me?
In fact, let me add to that.
Eh? Chief, you mean all this money for me?
Like I said, anything for you.
Ah,
my baby. You can do
deserve
that
a kiss.
again.
Hey, Chief, you know what I like. You know what I like.
Okay. So, tell me, are we still seeing tonight?
Chief, yes, we'll see. But not at that same hotel.
Why?
Chief, villagers have started seeing us around. So we need to change hotel.
Of course, you know I'm not scared of the villagers. Rather, they're the ones scared of me.
Chief, it's not about you. It's about me. If they keep seeing us together, they might tell my father.
And you think your father has not found out?
I don't think so.
It's alright. Your wish is my command.
Chief. Oh.
My doctor's prescription.
Yeah.
My blood tonic.
Chief, I'll see you later now.
Sorry, darling.
Hide this from you.
Hide it.
Chief, oh yeah. Later.
Bye. Hey. Okay, driver, let's go.
See money. See better money. Hey! 21,
Papa, are you going out?
What did you just hide when I was coming out?
Hide? Come on. Papa, I didn't hide anything, no. Okay. You know, I just finished eating biscuits. I'm just, cleaning my body. Papa, I'm not hiding anything now.
Ifeoma, listen to me. I heard a disturbing rumor. I heard that you have been seen with Romanos in compromising positions in this village. I hope you and Romanos are not having an affair.
Hey! Papa, me? Chief Romanus? Papa, how? How can I possibly have anything to do with Chief Romanus? That man that is old enough to be my father. God forbid. Papa, I don't have anything to do with that man, no. Why would you even believe such lie?
Now listen to me and listen to me clearly. Let me sound this warning to you. The day I discover that you and Romanus actually are having an affair, that day you would cease to be my daughter.
Papa.
That day I would disown you and I would have nothing to do with you. Be very careful. Be very careful.
I don't have anything to do with him. I don't have anything to do with that old man. I don't have anything to do with him. But Papa, I don't have anything to do with him. I don't have anything to do with him. Hey! Hey! This man would have caught me here. Hey. Better take this one inside.
So, Romanus, it has gotten to that, eh? From humiliating the youth, from there you snatch their girlfriend away from them. Eh? Are you not ashamed of yourself, Romanus or whatever they call you? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Rose.
Huh?
What has come over you and where did you get that information from? Who told you that I snatched his girlfriend away from him? Eh?
Oh, you think I wouldn't know? Eh? You think I will not find out, right? Are you not having an affair with Ifeoma, the shaman's daughter, who happens to be Tobechi's girlfriend? Are you not? Deny it!
Come on, stop, Rose. I'm only trying to help the poor girl because I understand that she needs money, which the foolish poor boy cannot afford to give her. Please stop that.
Look at who want to help somebody. Romanus, you're a wicked man. Very wicked man. And bet me, you are going to reap everything you sow. You will reap it. But let me warn you. You see that girl? She is not going to step her foot inside this house. Bet me. Kolum Romanus, bet me. Bet me. You see.
Rose. Rose. The only reason you are still in my house is because of my son Donald. Secondly, your beauty. As if you know that I will descend on you. You go and put on these fine shine clothes. Just thank your God. I'm in good mood.
Mom, how sure are you that Dad is having an affair with that village girl?
Oh, you think I'm a fool? I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm hearing. Maybe I don't have sense, right?
Well, men cheat anyways.
What? Is that all you have to say? Your father is a wicked man. And the most annoying thing is that the girl in question is Tobechi's girlfriend.
I understand, Mom. But we have to let sleeping dogs lie.
I'm not going to allow that girl to step her leg inside this house.
It's fine. It's fine. Leave that girl. Let's go.
Leave me,
Let's go. Let's go inside.
Ifeoma, listen to me. I don't want you to destroy your future. I am telling you nothing but the truth. My husband is just using you. And trust me, he is not going to marry you. You better find your way. You better find your way.
With all due respect, ma, I did not force your husband to date me. Yes, I did not force him.
Let me tell you, I know you did not. But you accepted him simply because of the money, right? That was why you left your poor boyfriend
because you want to enjoy wealth. I can help you. I will give you some money to start up a business. Yeah? So whenever you are ready, come to the house. I will sign a check for you so that you can start up and be useful to yourself, Ifeoma. Stay off! Stay off! I'm warning you now. Nonsense.
Wonders shall never end.
Ah! Ifeoma!
Papa.
What did I just hear?
Eh? Papa.
What did I just hear?
Papa, what did you hear now? Papa.
So it's true. So it's true. I should have known. I should have known. All the new clothes, the money, everything. I should have known. You have nothing to say for yourself, is it? You have nothing to say for yourself.
Papa, stop! Stop!
Huh?
Papa, what do you want to do now? Did I kill anybody? I did not kill anybody. And after all, he's the one that came to me. I didn't come to him. He came to me, Papa. He came to me.
That is what you're telling me.
But what
that he came to you.
Yes, he came to me.
A man old enough to be your father.
Did I kill anybody? Did I kill anybody?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come back here. Come back here.
Biko, where are you going? Why? Hey!
Oma, wait. This one you are smiling like this. Did you really know? You are in this village and you don't know what is happening. What happened?
Oh,
wait.
Oh.
What happened?
What happened? I heard that Chief Romanu's wife went to Ifeoma's house to warn her to stay away from the husband.
Are you serious?
Oh, believe it.
Maybe go one more manezi.
Hey! I know that wherever Tobe is now, he'll be happy in the city, relaxing with a very chilled coke. With the story that I just gave to you now.
Okay, my brother left her for long ago. Yes. She's the more reason my brother left for the city. After she followed that old fool because of money. So I could come back and watch it. Who is Ifeoma?
Hey! Ifeoma. See that girl? Honestly, I thought she would respect herself because of the position the father occupies in this village.
You see respect?
Yes, now.
Respect, girl. Hey! Oma, you talk as if you don't know that girl. That Ifeoma, she's so desperate. Ifeoma Biko. My sister was about going to the market. You are complaining. Oma, please, wait. Let me lock the door.
Yeah, I'm not going home. I'll be going home.
Oma, let's go now. Oma, let's go.
I'm because me, I don't have the plans of going to the market. I want to go home.
No problem now. What are friends for? Come, let's go.
I'm just going because of my friends.
We still have
I'm going because of you. Because me, I don't have the plans of going to the market.
No problem.
I'm just going because of you.
What have I done to deserve this? What have I done to deserve this? I have kept myself pure in this community for so long. Why does this girl want to bring disgrace to me? Why? Why? Tell me why? See, Ifeoma, are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Let today be the last day you will see Romanus. Let today be the last day you will see him and have an affair with him. Are you not ashamed that you're seeing someone old enough to be your father? You're seeing someone as old as myself. Are you not ashamed?
Why should I be ashamed? No, tell me, why should I be ashamed? Do you give me enough money? Do you give me enough money to take care of myself?
So this is what this is about. That's all you think about. Money. Money. So Romanus enticed you with money. I would have paid that man a visit. But I don't want to disgrace myself or disgrace you, stupid girl. I don't want to disgrace you. But let me tell you, let today be the last day. The last day. The next time I hear that you are still seeing Romanus, that day I will make good my promise and disown you. I'll push you out so you can fend for yourself. Huh? Why does this girl want to disgrace me? Why?
Bring her here.
Stand here. Stand up.
Kenaya, I heard that your poor church brother Tobechi has gone to the city to hustle, perhaps. Do you know the implication of that? You are going to be hungry. You will be begging. Babiala. Babiala.
God forbid. I reject it in
Shut up there! I'm talking, you are talking! Who gave you the ghost to talk?
Shut up! Stop! It's like you. Are you mad? How can you be talking when Chief is talking?
One slap.
Are you to me?
Shut up! Now, let me warn you. If you carry this your hunger-stricken body close to my daughter and beg for food or money, I will so deal with you. If possible, I will kill you. I will so deal with you and possibly kill you before that your stupid brother returns from the city. Do you understand me? So stay away from my daughter. Do you hear me? He's not hearing. She's not hearing.
You're not. Do you hear
me? Are you hearing what I'm saying? Answer me.
Did you hear him?
One more. Oh, you're hearing. Idiot. Now get out from here. Idiot.
Get out! Get out!
That man is very, very lucky. He's lucky my mother stopped me from visiting him. If not, I would have forgotten that he has money and set that his house ablaze.
Ifeanyi, you are speaking as if you don't know these people again. Those men are very wicked. Those men are heartless. They don't have human sympathy at all.
Eh? I'm going to call Tobechi now. I'm going to call him to inform him immediately.
Let me tell you, that Chief Romanus' son, Donald, you see that guy? I really feel sorry for him. Because the day any of the youth will catch him in a very tight corner, like one-on-one, what they will do to that guy? What they will do to that guy? I feel sorry for him.
Guy, that one, you see that boy? That one Nakamuke is too small. If I catch him personally, personally I will deal with him. I will handle him. Guy, because all those men are very wicked. Wicked set of men. You
can
maybe so
Funny. You know me very well.
You can fight them. You can fight them. They are stronger than you. If it's for money, they have money, oh. I can go from go. They are standing on your toes, but you can do nothing but you go. They can do you anything. Nobody will speak on your behalf at all because of money. Oh.
I'm fine, brother. Yes, he stopped me and abused me that hunger will kill me. And he also want me not to near his sister. Brother, I avoided them. I avoided them like you told me. I don't even used to pass through their gate again. Okay, brother, no problem. So, how is life over there? You will send me money. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. Okay, no problem.
God of the orphans, where are you? Please come to our aid.
What happened? You guys closed very early today. I didn't expect you to come home.
No, my son. It's Aunt Chief Ibeto's wife. Pour me water on our way going to the meeting with Ozoma. Then I decided to turn back and change the wrapper.
Wait. I don't understand. Chief Ibeto's wife splash you water on your way to the meeting, you and Ozioma. Mba no digging this now. No, Mama, why? How? How can Chief Ibeto's wife pour you water, Mama? Why? This intimidation is too much. Mama, listen. I'm going there to meet Chief Ibeto's wife today and now, and I will deal with that woman. What kind of nonsense is this?
I told them, let these people not kill you for me because
Mama, nobody can kill me.
Don't go.
Mama, I say nobody can kill me. Nneji funwe Chief Ibeto today. Mama, Chief Ibeto jada moto. Mama,
I will go and change because
Mama, go and change, but I'm going to meet Chief Ibeto's wife now. Mama, jadi woman, jadi moto. You cannot tell me otherwise, Mama. I'm going there.
These people will kill you. Hey, Chinedu, come back. Come back now. Let me go and change it. Because no one, because no. Hey, Chineke, mo nda ye bukwe mo nwam. Kelem difficult,
Hey! Oh my God! You are such a terrible woman. Sure! So because of that incident that happened the last time they met you, that was why you spread water on those women. I knew they were going to the meeting, so I decided to spoil that day. Child! This one.
Hungry poverty. Let me see them get that up again. Let me see them. I will send them away to kill ourselves.
Honey, what happened, honey?
Is it not those stupid village hungry people? They are looking for someone that will kill them. And let them try me. Let them go near that village top again. Then I will show them why they call me and go to the chamber.
Daddy, what is the problem? I heard your voice from the room.
You heard my voice from the room. As if I tell you what my problem is, you will support me. Isn't it your village people? Those stupid people. Get out of my way, let me pass. Get out!
Mom, what is he talking about? I don't know that.
Ify, you've been avoiding me for the past 2 weeks now.
Chief. Look, we can't continue like this. So. My father is angry with me. And not just that, the whole villagers know that we are dating.
Why are you listening to what people are saying? You have your life to live. Come on.
Chief, look, I have to go. Because I don't want my father to meet me here. And I don't want anybody to see me standing here with you. Please, I need to go.
It's okay. Excuse me.
Chief, I have to go now. I have to go.
Okay. For your upkeeping.
Chief, thank you, Thank you. Don't worry, I'll call you. I'll call you.
It's alright.
Chief, I need to go now,
My blood tonic. Not even a peck. Welcome. Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine, brother. Brother Tobe. Hi.
You're looking good too.
Thank you.
Come on, look at you, look at you, look at you, look at you. Come on,
Brother,
let's go
you
inside.
look good though.
Come on, let's go inside.
Brother, what happened?
Nothing happened.
Don't
Don't worry, I'll gist you, I'll gist you. Come.
Hey.
Come, I'll gist you.
My brother is back. Or you should come.
Why are you calling? Come first.
So you mean to tell us that you are the owner of that machine packed outside?
That's one of my machines.
Hey! That's not one. This is good news. So you have plenty.
Yes,
In fact, this is the best news I've ever heard this year.
Yes, so
Tobe,
say that again.
now tell us, how did you make this money? Tobe, how did this happen?
Anyway, and I just want to see Patego. It's the Lord's doing anyway. Yes. It's a big testimony.
Tobe, we will still ask you. You are your man now. Tell us the secret of this business. We
I
want to know.
You guys are my man. I will tell you. I will gist you. Okay? Okay. I was doing a taxi hire in the city. So, one day.
Young man, thank you very, very much.
You're welcome, sir.
I really appreciate it. I never knew I left the wallet in your car. So thank you very much.
You know, you are kind of rare. Not everyone will do that.
Sir, it's okay. We thank God for everything. At least the other passengers is not pick their wallet.
Okay.
So I just have to go now. I have other passengers that
No,
have
no,
my...
no. You don't need to be in a hurry. Okay? I want to show appreciation. In fact, as a matter of fact, I want to employ you in my father's company, which I am the manager.
Hey, sir, thank you so much.
It's okay.
This is the best thing that has happened to me today. Thank you. But there's a problem.
What problem?
I am not a graduate.
Come on, Peter. It doesn't matter. Okay? I know you can do it. Okay? You see, I want to pull you out from that Yaka business. I want to make you rich. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. The pleasure is mine.
Okay,
sorry. See me tomorrow in my office. Okay? Just come and see me in my office. And pick up your appointment letter.
Just like that?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Okay, thank you. It's alright.
God bless you.
Alright.
That was how it happened. Wow. So he gave me a job in his father's company as the manager of the company.
He gave me a car, an official car. Wow. A house and a good salary. So as a brain man, why be now? I used my salary to start up a good business in the city.
This guy. Now man you be today.
People are very soft and highly crunchy.
You don't need to tell me.
You don't play with my brain.
Money. You don't need to tell me.
You know, man need to think fast. You know, so that was how I made money.
Tobe. Yeah. It's a good news, and we're happy for you. But help your friends now. You man help your man. At least connect us to that company.
I know. You don't even need to say it. I already had that in mind.
Yeah.
I've told myself that I'm going to take you guys along with me. Once I'm going back to the city. Yeah. But before then, I want to deal with those old fools in this village. I really want to deal with them.
You're right.
You're right.
Okay, with the geek.
I'll use money and flog them one after the other.
Okay, with the geek. What are you telling me?
Tobe, you are right. Now that you have made money, Tobe, this is the right time to show those old men, those wicked men, that we have arrived. They are nothing. All those this is the time, Tobe.
Money stop nonsense.
Drink up. Let's. That woman can I let her soup.
In case way. This time, man, on it is an chicken out.
No, we have to go there.
Open that drink.
We just have to go there.
Open that drink. When was the last time you had this kind of drink? You won't be serious. Yes, it's you know what you
Namo. No, Onna.
Thank you, man.
Hey! Imakazi. You are this handsome. You're in this obodo Igbo.
Mama, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I think if not for you, I mean, you guys are my backbone, you know. If not for you and Mama Nedu, I wouldn't have achieved a lot today.
Ifeanyi told me everything, and I'm sure your parents must be happy in their grave.
I'm happy. I'm grave now.
Toby one mega maka. Negodi, your color changed.
I'm telling you.
You're not smile, is it? Like a big man.
Okay, was palliative almost.
Hey, Toby, trust me, I am happy for you.
Okay.
But you know, this calls for celebrations.
You don't need to rush it, okay? You don't need to rush it. I will tell Kenaya to unleash the bag that I came back with. Yeah, because I bought a lot of things for you. And actually, Mama, yeah.
Hey. No.
Thank you, Mama.
No. I said it that our enemies must bow.
Amen.
Amen.
They are bowing already.
Close your eyes, let me pray for you. Whatever you lay your hands on must surely succeed.
Amen.
The Lord will always guide and protect.
Amen.
The enemies will not see you.
Because I know he's the weak. Chimo, how did you people know my color? These clothes are beautiful.
I hope you like it.
My sister, I'm happy. These clothes are beautiful. They are beautiful.
Oh, Zugonwa, you're seeing.
Oh, gonna do. Willie.
Oh, Zugoni, Tingwele. Let's go a village girl. Calm down. These ones are small. If you say the ones he bought for me, you will scream!
I'm okay with these ones. I'm okay with these ones because See, let me tell you something. If you see me in this village again, you will not know me. You will not recognize me with this bun shot. The way I'll be forming. I know that nobody can talk to me anyhow again because I have arrived. Oh my baby, yo!
I'm Alicia. Not just you. The both of us, we brag like president's daughter. Yes, oh! Because my brother have made money. Hey, God now. Good.
So you're not let me tell you something. You see, money stops nonsense.
Wow.
Yeah,
you are Julia.
We've made money.
We have.
Chief Romanus and Ibeto, they will never intimidate us in this village again.
It's again intimidate.
They
will not try it.
At all.
They will not, because my brother will not allow that at all. Yes. They will not.
Come back. Let me go and test this thing. How far wig now?
Don't worry, I will give you one. Money will be a fool.
I can now
You see why it is very important to be patient in life? Guess what I saw today?
I better tell me something.
Guess now.
I know if you don't want them, just tell me like they go.
Okay. I saw Tobe. Babe, if you see Tobe, you would trip. Tobe that left for the city just returned, looking big.
Just returned, looking big.
Is it paining you?
It's not paining me. But the way you sound as if it's like you're crushing on that guy.
I'm crushing on him because I am crushing on him. Now tell me how Ifeoma will face him.
There's no other way. If I was in her shoe, I'll go and apologize. Simple.
Apologize for what? Apologize for what? A lady that left a young promising man for an old man that is even close to the grave. You think he will just forgive her like that? Let's talk about something else.
I understand, Sha, but she should try and approach him first.
Just like that. Approach him first. If I were to be Tobe, I would never forgive her.
And you are not Tobe, and you will never be Tobe. I think everyone must be like you.
See this one, no? Nonsense.
What are you little brats doing in my compound?
I have come back. I've arrived to take what belongs to us.
Now, I'm closing my eyes. By the time I open them, you are out of my compound. Now, get out!
You think it's those days that you can talk to us anyhow. I've made money. And I'm back to revenge. Chifi Beto, all of you must bow.
So what do you want?
If you do not abide to my instruction, I am going to bring you down and also your family. Do you get that?
Look at who is talking. I said, get out of my compound, idiot! Get out before I call my boys on you!
And what if we refuse to go? What will you do?
Boys.
Look at this one.
Come on, let's go.
People are talking, you are still talking.
Come on, let's go.
Just look at you. Look at the way you dressed.
Do your worst. Chifi Beto.
I get out.
You for you.
I got get out from here. Look at him like an overfed cockroach.
Honey, what do we do now?
What do you want me to do? No, tell me, what do you want me to do? If they fight me, I will fight back!
Fight who back? Daddy, when I was telling you to stop intimidating your own people, you refused. You wouldn't listen to me. Now these boys have come back for revenge.
What are you talking about? Do you know me? You don't know your father. Do you know why they call me Akume Chamber? No, of course you don't. Look, I am a lion in human body. Nobody can touch me.
Honey, please, this is not the time for this. The question is, what do we do now?
I am as confused as you are. But not to worry, I will have a discussion with Romanus and we'll figure out a way.
When
I was saying it, nobody was listening.
I can't put you on. The betting one, Obodo Puginazu. Onye Talafufu get you go. Be strong, don't lose hope at all.
You mean those boys have the nerves to come to your house?
Not just having the nerves to come to my house. That stupid Tobechi instructed me, instructed me that I should return the land and properties I took from the orphans and the widows. Can you imagine that?
He's insane. That boy has gone mad. Oh, he thinks because he left for the city yesterday and come back with little change, he can challenge us. Eh?
Look, that boy Tobechi has stepped on the tail of the python, and I am going to show him why they call me Akune Chamber.
Okay, you better we must act fast, because what my father once said, when you see a little bit dancing on the road path, definitely something is beating drum for that peg. Someone must be responsible. Somebody must be beating the drum that are dancing to the tune.
Tobechi.
We must act fast.
Tobechi. You are going to regret the day you step your foot in my compound. They are all going to regret the day they stepped their feet on my compound. Alright, we shall see.
You will find out that the bone of a young man is getting stronger. The marrow of an old man is equally getting stronger.
A child that does not know the name of a bird, call it Ojojo.
Ojojo.
Tobechi.
Fine.
Take your rats and get out of my way because I want to pass.
You are the rats. You and this man. You were highly intoxicated with power and ordered everyone in this village that no one should cross this path. Do you remember? But today, I purposely did this so you and this man will not pass here. I want you to enter your car and leave this place now.
Tobechi.
That's my name.
I am still in charge of the certificate of existence of everyone in this village, including you.
Big lie.
And for you to pass any road in this community, you need a transit visa from me. Yet, because you've made your Tetenkobo,
little change
from the city, you think you can block our way. Anyway, I'm not in the mood for that right now. But be rest assured that I'll be back.
If you
don't leave your one named Jackie, you more than can tell this man. Dollar.
Hey, Sheba, what?
I see this about boys before you die. Okay.
Dollar. They call it very brief.
Even you, sir.
Brief.
brief
You can't
before
inform.
the
You don't live here. You don't want it that.
Let the music play on.
Moko. Open here. Yeah, do that.
Be strong, don't lose hope at all. If I found the tell of ages, if I blew, in my name, I see if I got no logo. If I found the if I got no logo.
Mbachu, I am here to advise you to warn Tobechi and his friends to desist from crossing my path. Please, tell Tobechi and his friends to desist from crossing my path. If they continue, whatever they see, they take.
Ah, how have the mighty fallen. Ibetu, you're here again. Now I can sense you're scared. But what are you doing here? Go out there and confront your problems. What are you doing here? Am I Tobechi? Does he live here? Go out there. Confront the youths.
Mbachu, is that all you have to say? I mean, as the chairman of this community that were appointed to make peace in the community, is this all you have to say? Look, if I start shedding blood now, you will say, hey, Ibeto has started. I'm telling you, you are laughing like a jackass.
Ibeto! Are you not tired of shedding blood? Every time, if I start shedding blood, are you not tired? Well, for your information, the widows and the orphans whose properties you seized, who died in the process of begging you for their own properties, their blood is already crying out. And you can see the effect. So what blood do you still want to shed? Do you still have space for this blood that you're still shedding?
But well, if that is all you have to say as the chairman of this community, because if I were in your shoes by now, I'll be finding ways to make peace. But since you are pushing me, Mbachu, you are pushing me. Whatever you see, you take.
My friend, go there. Go there and confront the youths. Go. Get out. Look at this. My friend, get out here. Look at these two rats. Leave my compound. You are strong. You are this, you're that. Go and match the youths. Go and match them one-on-one. I don't even know what is confusing you. You want to shed blood. You want to drink blood every time. What nonsense.
Everybody they pray to God, make it get money to help one another. Makabwa fonye fulafu, akwa funa ngokweke, chompelo, kodayelo, fonye sibelora, orageri chapwa, manora selo fonye, omali chapwa ya. They get money, they don't want to help others. They have money, hachikwego, well, chief Romano Sandy better. Your sons of America community, they're the richest people in America. Hachipakashi. All this money where una get, make una they help people. They have money, hachikwego, anyway, chief Romano Sandy better. Your sons of America community, they're the richest people in America.
Romanos, you see what I have been saying? Now my son's life is at risk. I warned you, didn't I?
Dad,
We need to report these boys to the police. It was by the grace of God that I escaped.
Son, I can't. They have enough evidence against me.
Really? What do you mean by you can't? They have enough evidence against you. Romanus. Hey! Jehovah. When I told you to leave those orphans and widows alone, you refused. Let them be, Romanus, you refuse. And now you can't report them to the police.
Woman, quiet! Quiet! Let me think! Let me think! My head is filled up. Let me think for once.
Romanus, if anything happens to my son, I will hold you responsible. Think my fruit.
See that? You need to act fast though. These boys are deadly and they are ready to kill. Me, I'm scared though.
That guy is mad. That guy is crazy. You know what? I would have scattered his brain.
Tobe, God knows that his father's money will not save him. The day I will lay my hands on him, my basi, the day I will catch him. Yadeba,
That foolish boy. I can't forget how that boy insulted me when Oma and Ikenna was captured. I was tied with a rope. I can't forget it. That boy. I will deal with that boy.
He has actually escaped today, but he will not escape tomorrow. I am going to put an eye on him. I will send people to watch him. When I get him, I am going to deal with him.
Odogu Tobe, you know you have made money. You understand? Give me the privilege when you have captured him. Give me the privilege to do the dealing for you. Let me use my hand and deal with him. Now, can titolia ye titolia? Now, can jaya jaja? Omo be awful. Just once you captured him, or once they captured him for you, just call me to take over. I will handle him. Oh yeah, janya fu. Me for one pen of phone. Every little thing he will call his father, taking his father's money.
Grandmaster, the boys are back for revenge. Even the villagers are supporting them. We are not safe anymore.
Yesterday, Grandmaster, they chased my son like a common criminal on the village road. Grandmaster, do something, we are confused.
I know a day like this will come. But don't worry. Those boys are purified spiritually, and there is nothing you can do to them.
Grandmaster, you mean there is nothing you can do to suppress them?
The battle will continue until they will give up. But before then, I will give both of you a charm to protect yourself.
Tobechi, my son, I know that all of you are angry. Please, let bygone be bygone and stop the fight. Please, let peace reign.
Mama, you don't know those men.
But I'm going to make them suffer. I'm going to make them feel what they did to others.
Bam! Okay,
Tobe, nah, calm down. Calm down. Obi Tuziano again. All of you should calm down. Obi Zeunu. Whatever Ziano. This thing might result to a big problem. And no man, I man like here. You know go.
Mama, we don't care whatever it will result to. But whatever comes out, we are equal to the task.
See, my anger is that those men thought that nobody will make it in this village. Now, their mind is telling them that the money is meant for them alone. Man, they need to be my man now. My man, they put a geek. So it's time for us to judge them. Now, can I just
down? Mama, leave our brothers to deal with those men, so that they will still know we have youth in this village. Eh?
Mama, honestly, I am surprised that you are pleading like this. Mama, it's obvious you've forgotten so soon how these people dealt with us in this village. Mama! Mama, please, allow them to fight this fight. Eh? They never believed Tobe here would make it. Tobe has succeeded.
Okay, but
let them do it man to man.
Before I go back to the city, I promise every one of you here that I'm going to deal with those men.
Yes.
Papu see her for one after the other.
I believe you.
Yeah.
And when I do that, I'll be a I'll be so happy.
I thought you said you're going to take me and Ifeanyi along with you.
Hey, I will go first. I will go first, Chinedu. Calm down.
You promise to take along.
Please find a place in your heart to forgive.
Are you talking about forgiveness? I should find a place in my heart. Eh? I should forgive you where you left me for that old man because of money.
Okay.
And I should forgive you.
Okay, I made a mistake. It was a mistake. Please, it was a mistake. Go, please. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
So you've actually realized that it was a mistake?
Yes.
Yes. When you were doing the mistake, you didn't know. Eh? Because you heard that God has blessed me. If he is now back to come and reap where she did not sow. Yeah? A chewed one. Now you're back to come and reap. Yeah? Can spend there on you. Can no longer me na la chapion. I'm going here. Nyala meganya mechikita. Nyabuni good. I want you to get out of this compound now.
Please now. Please.
Are you still calling me Obi? Am I not too big for this your Obi?
No,
yeah?
So
they carry me as big as I am, going inside his heart. Can you carry it? Okay, please.
It's me for my Ify, your love, eh? Your love, it's for my. Please, baby, please don't do this now.
Feel my love. Her cry is touching me. Hey, if you when you cried, oh my God, come on, shut up, one for Yala. Next all day, I see no beer. Hey, you must not so big. This year, poor. Me, you go also get that. Okay, man, also on your one of the.
This is unbelievable.
We have to believe it.
So if Mama walked into this compound to ask you for apology, Ona Yara, is she mad?
You don't know Ifeoma at
After she left you for that wicked man.
You don't know Ifeoma. She has no shame.
No single shame at all. Yeah. No single shame. Hey! Blasi, if she comes here again and I'm not around, just call me on phone. I will handle her myself.
She won't even come back here again after all I did to her. I walked her out of this compound like a village prostitute.
Wow, idiot. She's a village prostitute. Oh, yob. Village prostitute. Oh, Jaye Omechi. No single shame.
Get me the brandy on top of the table there, okay?
Let me see her here again. I will pour her hot water. Miss again a brandy.
Brandy, yeah.
I'm coming. Hey, before.
Yala, only feeling.
It not be real, eh? It not be real. We take and jag.
Leave her. Just don't beat anyone, okay? I just want your father, your husband, to open that tap so the villagers can start fetching water. That is all I want him to do.
My son! Spare our lives, please. I'm going to talk to him. If you open the tap...
If you call me your son again, I will slap you. Do I resemble your son? That's like you're walking a cardboard sheet. Do I resemble this he-goat? Huh? The only thing is that you're a good woman. But your husband is very wicked. He's a devil. How can he be punishing the whole village? Huh? Tell him to release and unlock the tap so people will start fetching water. If not so, I am going to hang two of you on the electric pole. Then you will die and rest in peace. I pray you. What is that? You know what you're talking
Shut off your mouth.
What are you, Alata?
Stop romancing me. This is your stop romancing me. You know, stop romancing. You romance them again. You will listen to what you see.
Easy. I don't want you guys to beat anyone. Okay? Okay? For the last time,
release my wife and my son. Else
what? Else in Megini. Ibudonye. Esidibege Jebonye. Huh? What do you think you can do? I want you to go and tell those boys to open the village tap. Else, I'll kill your wife and your son.
Well, Amaromumbi Bidongoba. Obo I said Obalage. But I can see you've gone crazy with this little change you've made. Eh?
You are the one who is crazy. Maggie Finger, Maggie. You won't see any leg to walk out of this place. If you're here to insult me, I can kill you and bury you here, and nothing will happen.
Of course you know you are just making an empty threat.
I want you to leave here now before I waste your life. And I give you 20 minutes to tell your boys to open the village tap. Else, I will kill your wife, kill your son, and deal with you. Now leave this place. Get out.
I go.
Sir.
Come on, see about boy, son.
Baby God.
I'm going to believe baby God.
Ready where you go to do believe.
Like that get messed on your arm.
On your arm.
Damn.
This man is so funny. Eh? He would have stayed back and wait for his death.
I'm not sure why. Well, I go.
No.
Okay, down.
I was there. I'm on defense now.
Come on, Baono.
Because of that baby girl. Ha! I'm on defense. This plank now, we use it.
Come on, go inside and give me water to drink. Mba, Zobo.
You want to make me. Brother, don't worry. Let them come again. I'm on defense. So this block. Why?
Wait, get on. Get lost. I can see that. Boy, get lost. Oh, I don't miss this guy. No, Papa, anywhere where I see you. Anywhere where I see you, what's that gonna do you? This guy get lost. I'm gonna with this guy now, no problem.
Romani, you see what I've been saying? The life you live is affecting me and my son. Eh? Can't you see? Our life is at stake here. Romanus!
See, Dad, I suggest we relocate to the UK for now. We are not safe here anymore.
You're the one speaking in this manner. I am not leaving my town because of those small boys.
Hey! Romanus, are you telling me that you don't care about our lives? Is that what you're saying? Eh?
Woman, you're safe and Donald is safe. I don't know why you're worsening this issue. Why are you worsening it?
Me? Rose, worsening it, eh? Okay. From today upwards, my life and the life of your son is at your hand. Take it. Our life is in your hand. You.
Dad, you need to listen to the voice of reason. We really have to relocate. Our lives are at risk. We are no longer safe here anymore. You know that.
Donald, I am not living anywhere. I am not leaving my town for those brief rats. Never! We die here.
Dad, I don't understand what you mean by I shouldn't go out from this house again.
Nancy, it's for your own safety, okay? Now the village is very, very hot. And those boys, they might hurt you, so relax, okay?
No, Dad, they will not hurt me because they know I am not like you. Nancy, your father is right. You are his daughter, and because of that, they might decide to harm you. Oh, so now you have realized that Daddy has been wrong all along. Now you know he was wrong. When I was pleading with him to stop intimidating his people and allow them have their freedom, he refused. And you people want to lock me in this house as a slave, okay? No, that will not happen. You cannot lock me up here. I will go out there. I must leave this house. I will go out. You cannot cage me. I am not a prisoner. It's your mess, Mom. It's your mess. So you people should clean it up and leave me out of it.
I know. But please, can you help me talk to him? Biko, I still love him.
Ifeoma, you think my brotder is a fool, right?
No.
See, you can't eat your cake and have it back. You left him for an old man because of that little change he was giving to you. Now you want my brother to forgive you and accept you back. Just like that. Eh? Okay, Seme.
It was a mistake. Eh? See, it's the handwork of the devil. No? Okay, Naya, it wasn't with my clear eye. It wasn't with my clear eye at all. Please.
It's you.
It's the handwork of the devil. It's a mistake.
Hey.
I'm sorry now. I'm so sorry.
Ifoma, you are such a terrible person. Hey! Otu Akide. Eh? You are bad because my brother has made money. You can't reap where you did not sow. Asi. Oye menata. Asi. Never I can go. If you know what is good for you, leave this compound. Ifoma, just leave this compound though.
Kenaya. It's me, it's Ifoma. Kenaya. We used to be good friends though. Eh? It's your friend now.
Why hold it there? Jide Ebiko. Us good friends. See, Ifoma. See, I don't want to listen to all this nonsense you are saying now. Inanuya. If I go inside and come out and still meet you here, you will not like yourself. Hey. I am not joking with you.
Kenaya.
I am not.
Please now.
If I live here.
Please.
If I say poor.
Kenaya, don't do this now. Eh? Help me talk to your brother now. Please now. I still love him. Oh, help me talk to him now. Kenaya.
So Ifoma have the guts to step her foot in this compound.
She was lucky I was in a good mood yesterday. I would have designed her face with pepper water. Okay, Mose? After pounding pepper, I will mix it with water. Then wait for her father.
I go on.
Stupid girl.
Please. Whenever she comes here again, avoid her. Go inside. You can even lock the door. Oh, just avoid her.
I don't think she will ever step her foot here again. Yes. Because if she does, I will break her head. I will pieces her head.
Kenaya, Watu, I know you are angry. I know you understand your pain. Just ignore her. Like I said earlier, if she comes here again with our banji, my sister, carry your chair, go inside the house and lock the door.
I don't get it though. In my own compound. Like,
oh, your compound. But
okay, I should just sweep her out.
Yes, you can even
use broom and sweep her out.
You don't need to sweep her out when she's around though. If she go, you will come out.
If I find my way on this idea, I don't take it, Biko. What are you telling me? My own compound. Ha! Oh!
You this rascal. What are you doing in my compound at this ugly hour of the night with your little rats?
A woman came to report to me that you, Chief Ibeto, took over her or your company for your own personal use. Is that right?
Is that the reason you came to my house this night to harass me? Look, your own is getting too much in this community. You harass me all over the place. What is it? Is it because you made 10 kobo from the city?
Chief Ibeto, that's enough reason to insult you or to harass you. And listen to me. I want you to go straight to that factory and discharge every of your work there. Because if you do not do it, I will walk into that factory and I'll shoot every single person in that place. And I'll come back to your house. Then I'll cripple your daughter. Do you get that?
I can see that you've grown wings. You have the impetus to come to my house to threaten me. Now get out.
I'll give you 1 hour to do that. 1 hour to do that. Chief Ibeto. 1 hour.
Shut up! You are still talking.
He said 1 hour with immediate effect, Chief Ibeto.
Osigi 1 hour. I got chapaki.
What are you even wearing? Rats? Or what?
I got chapaki.
Poor church rats.
Onye tela fufu geri ugwalo ya.
You are a man. You are the son of the sun.
I love what you are doing to Ibeto and Romanus. They think we cannot fight them back.
I told you that our enemies must bow.
Yes, my son. Don't stop. Continue what you are doing until they surrender. At least they will know that the people of Umuamechi have a brave son like you. A brave wife for that matter, yes!
Uncle, I told you that all of them in this village must bow to us. They will bow and believe. They are going to believe us in this village. They must bow to us in this village. That's what I've promised them.
Good day, Mazimizi.
Ha! Adobidike, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you going to?
Brother, I want to go and visit Tom and spend some time with him.
No. You're not going anywhere. The village is too hot now. And you're the only sibling I have. Okay? I have to go back in there and rest.
But brother, I've been inside for some days now. I need to go out.
I can so give one name worry. Do you understand? And I don't want to lose you. I am going to take you out myself in the evening time.
Promise.
But for now, go back.
Promise. Brother, you say you take me out though. I'll remind you.
Anime, Yenolani. Sorry, Mazi. Sorry for the interruption.
It's alright. Grandmaster, we are getting tired of fighting these boys. They are getting more fierce, terrible and deadly by the day.
My Grandmaster, is there not something we can do to eliminate their lives, at least to have peace once again?
The wife is the architect of you people's problem.
My wife? How?
Woman, how are you?
Fine, man.
I brought this money for you. Take it and start up the business you told me about. Okay?
Hey! Thank you, those. God in heaven will continue to bless you.
Amen.
Hi.
Amen. Okay, please, start going before my husband comes back, please.
Okay.
God bless you too. Oya.
Thank you.
I don't, please. Okay. Before my husband comes back.
Your wife gave out money to one of the widows in the village. And she used the money to start up a business. This is your downfall. If care is not taken, Ibeto, you both will suffer for this because both of you have the same covenant.
But, Grandmaster, since this problem is due to the carelessness of Romanus's wife, I am really worried. Please terminate the life of that widow. Please.
Please do something, Grandmaster. Please do something so we can defeat those boys again.
There is nothing I can do except Romanus' wife visit her in a shop and bring one of her goods. Drop it at the temple. Else, your power and strength will fail.
Hey,
Rose, how could you? How could you? How could you give out my money to a widow in this village without my consent?
Honey, but what is wrong in giving villagers money?
Everything is wrong. Everything is wrong because you don't know the damage you've caused me.
Damage? I don't understand.
How could you understand? How could you understand when you have chosen to work against me in this village? To go against my decision about this village?
Hey, honey, just calm down. You are talking as if those widows and orphans don't need help. Don't you know that you and your friend Ibeto are supposed to be helping these widows and orphans so that God will bless you people more and more? Eh?
Now listen to me. Listen and listen good. If you know how you gave out that money, go back there and bring my money. Else!
Mwana mma. Chuka.
Good day, Kenya.
Good day, Chuka.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you. And where is Tobechuku?
He's not around though. He went out.
Okay. Please, when he comes back, do well to tell him that youth leader came to look for him.
Hey, I will. I'm as the youth leader. Chuka, I will inform him.
Tell him youth leader came to look for him.
I will.
Alright.
Chuka.
I'll be on my way now.
No problem.
Alright. Have a nice day.
And you too.
Alright.
Right. Bye bye. Chuka, Chuka. Youth leader. Okay now.
My guys, my guys, Oh my good, oh. My guys, the only guys that makes this village hot.
Now Chuka, you will not change.
Why will I change? Why will I change?
So what did happen?
Oh my dear, I'm just coming from Tobe's house, but again I said he's not around.
Yes, Tobe should travel. But he's coming back this evening.
Okay, nice. See, guys, I must commend you for what you guys are doing. I mean, those old fools think nobody can fight them back. But we will fight them, oh.
Yes,
we'll fight them.
Yes, definitely. See, my brothers, those men are too small for us to handle.
Bam.
As a matter of fact, we are going to frustrate them in this village until they surrender.
Bam.
Bam.
See, guys, I must commend you for what you guys are doing for Amich. And whatever you're doing, put it at the back of your mind that you're doing it for your community. As for those guys, we will continue to fight those old fools until they surrender.
Confirm.
Nothing will stop us. Ahead.
Ha! No, those men are very wicked. They are wicked, that's why I always call them Ndo Kenyaloloan.
That's what they are. You're right.
See, let me tell you the truth. It's just a matter of time. We'll put them where they belong. Bam!
So it be. Huh? What would they do that thing they are?
Chuka, that reminds me. I have something for you.
Hey.
As a matter of fact, Jidecha.
Are you sure?
Leader,
I hope you're not pranking me.
I'll give you money.
Oh, men are cash. For me.
Yes,
Youth leader. Thank you.
The youth leader.
Anyway, I have to be going. As you can see, I was going somewhere.
Yeah, we'll see later.
Thank you for the money. I appreciate. You know, I always appreciate.
The youth leader.
You know, I always appreciate.
This guy.
Thank you.
No problem.
Mbajo,
We have seen the drink, but we cannot drink it. Because we are not happy in this our community. So, just we cannot drink it. But still, I'm very happy. About what Tobechi and his friends are doing to Romanus and Ibeto. Yes, I'm happy.
My brother, it is understandable what is going on. And to an extent, it's good that the youths are standing for themselves. But we as elders must advise them to apply caution, lest this whole thing develops into a big war. We don't want that.
There is nothing like that. Even if Ibeto and Romanus wants it to resort to a serious war or fight, I am sure that Tobechi and his friends will surely subdue them. Very, very. Very, very. Romanus and Ibeto think they are the only men that will succeed in this community. Bam. That's what I am saying. Romanus and Ibeto think that they are the only ones existing in this community. But, and by the way, are you sure that they are not the ones holding down the destiny of the youth of this community, making them not to progress? Are you sure? Tobechi have proven them wrong. Proving so. Because Tobechi traveled to the city and made money.
My fellow elders, at this point, we shouldn't be fanning the embers of hate. We should try to de-escalate things. What we should be preaching is actually peace. I just wish Romanus and Ibeto can come and talk to the youths, beg their forgiveness. I believe the youths will forgive them and everything will go back to the way it should be. We should be preaching peace and not war.
They can. Mbajo, are you the one saying this? Me, I don't want you to stop. I want you to continue until Ibeto and Romanus lie down, lie on the floor and ask for forgiveness from the villagers. Bam! Then by that time, if I have word, I will tell them. Bam! They need to learn their lesson and somebody need to teach them the lesson. Very important. Evil people. Wicked people.
What is it? Who is chasing you? Who?
Brother,
Chief Ibeto and Chief Romanus sent 2 of his men to kidnap me.
Eh?
Yes.
Kidnap you?
Yes.
Kidnap Chief Ibeto and Chief Romanus.
Yes.
Are they mad?
No.
Okay, do you know what? Go inside. Go and stay with Oma. Eh? We are coming. Guys, come. No, brother. I go jam mad. Yeah, jam.
So both of you are not scared, eh? You are not scared. You sent men to kidnap my sister. And you think we'll not find out?
Ya Allah. Old fools. Look at them. Ya Allah. We look like sham, right? Do we?
I know both of you will be wondering how we pin you down here. But let me tell you, that thing we will know. We know him too. Hmm?
Now listen, both of you. Any day or any time any of you lay your hands on any of our family members, that will be your last day on earth. Ndala ndala.
Did you hear that? Answer me, old fools. Did you hear that?
Ya Allah.
Now listen, both of you. Listen carefully. Huh? If you like, go to the strongest native doctor. Purify yourself. Eh? You both can never get us. Huh? And mind you, any move you guys make from today, we must find out.
And listen attentively. From today henceforth, I do not want to hear that you touch any of the villagers or their property. If I ever hear that, I will bring you out in the middle of the forest and shoot you till you die. After all, your ancestors are sleeping in their grave. I don't even know why you're still alive. Silly. I'll shoot 2 of you very soon.
All your mates don't die finish.
Clear the road, photo betchingwa. A destiny check. I kept
If you
Look,
be strong, don't
Tobechi,
lose hope at all.
he has just stepped on the tiger's tail, and I will deal with him.
Are you sure that boy is not an armed robber?
He's a thief.
He got so much guts.
He's
an armed robber.
If I found better, faga na logo Oboda figo. Tobechi batago. Tobechi don't land with plenty money. Batago. All the enemies, they must bow. They must bow. Tobechi don't land with plenty money. Tobechi all the magazines, they must bow. They must.
Dad? Dad! Please don't do this to me! Don't do this to me! Daddy, please! Look at me! I'm calling you! Daddy! Daddy!
So this story going around the village is real. That Ibeto slept and didn't wake up the next morning.
The evil that men do lives with them. Brother, this is karma.
There is a big problem in this village. Yeah. You know why I say this? Because I know the youth leader will not attend to them. And I know by now his friend has come down.
Not just his friend, even his wife, who humiliates and intimidates her fellow women.
I'm supposed to be going back to the city soon, but I don't think I'll go back again. I want to stay and see how the youth will bury Ibeto.
It's a guinea. Yeah. Like at this case. No, brother, see, you have to go back to the city and continue with your work. Leave this matter. Just go back to the city.
Don't bother yourself, I'll be fine. Okay? I'll be very fine. I've told my boss, the white man I'm working for, that we have another festival and I won't be coming back. So he agreed with me. Okay? He doesn't even know what is going on here. So don't bother. I'll be fine.
I hope they will not sack you.
You do your work.
But I'm enjoying the money.
Before you came, I knew about his death.
Grandmaster, why so early? This is not the covenant we had.
I told you, your wife Charity will affect both you and Ibeto. But the great Izuma decided to take Ibeto without stress.
Grandmaster, please give me more years to spend with my family so that my people can forgive me before I join the great Izuma.
You have to tell the people why you humiliated the widows and the orphan.
Is that all?
Secondly, your son will serve the great Izuma after your reign. Else, you will return back to poverty.
I am sure both of you know why I have called for this meeting.
Bajo, if it's because of Ibeto's death, you called us here. Count me off. If it's the reason you call for this gathering, Akamadoria, I'm a Seba Binepo. Poor? Even myself? What nonsense. If Ibeto is dead, his wife, club, and friends should go ahead and bury him. Not at all.
Is that what both of you are saying?
Yes.
In that case, my hands are tied. I actually thought I could get your opinion on how we could bury better together as elders. But if this is what you're saying, then it means I can't do it alone.
Bam.
Let the community bury him.
As man make his bed, so he will lie on it.
Youth of Amechi, I greet you all.
Greetings, leader.
Before I proceed, I believe all of us here are ESCOs in this forum. And I need this message to go around the village, to every youth in this village. Anyway, I received a letter from Chief Ibeto's family concerning his death. And that is why I assembled everybody here. I want to tell everybody that we will not participate in that burial.
Bam, bam.
Nobody will participate in that burial. I have said my oath.
If I see any of you in that burial, I'm going to lock that person, not minding you're my friend or not. Okay? If Chief Ibeto is dead,
let his family members dig his grave and bury him themselves. Do you understand?
Yes. No youth from this village should be involved in that stupid Chief Ibe's burial. Because when that man was alive, this stupid man did not help any of us
at all.
Rather, he was an enemy to his people.
Yes.
So therefore, no burial from the youth of this village.
If they want us to participate in that burial,
they have to give us 5 million.
Support that. They say 5 million.
And if they eventually go anywhere to hire any youth, we will scatter that place. We'll scatter everywhere.
If we then see any youth from any community coming to do that burial, we're going to set that place ablaze. Do you understand?
Yes.
I am ready for anything. Come on, guys, I'm ready for anything.
You have to pay over. They will pay the money.
Over. Pass the information around. Nobody should near Chief Ibeto's house.
So you mean to tell me that the youth insisted they should be giving 5 million naira before they begin the giving?
Yeah, I am happy because both Chief Ibeto and his wife are wicked people.
Very wicked people.
Very
wicked set of people. I thought they love money. To them, money is everything. They say they don't need any help from our people. So why are they disturbing my people? My people. They should go and worship their money.
See, this is the reason my brother refused to return back to the city. Huh? Yes, he wants to stay back and see to the root of this matter. Given that this case is very serious, so it's a very serious.
This is ridiculous. So brother Tobe refused to go back to the city because of this burial.
I got feast.
We die here.
We die here. Hey, my people, my people.
My people.
Wow. Can we all see the repercussion of what you did? Huh? And you and your husband were not nice to the people before he died. Including my husband here.
Well, Rose, this is not time to apportion blames or pointing accusing fingers on. All we need now is the support of the people, okay?
And you think it's that easy? Why you people treated them like trash? And now you want their help and their support. Anyway, keep on trying. Maybe they will change their mind.
Ikenna, please. Please, I want you to help me talk to your brother. To convince the youth leader. If the youth changes their mind, the people will accept to bury my father, please.
Nancy, what you asked me to do is difficult. My brother will not want to hear this at all.
Oh, okay, you can talk to Mami Fanny or Neju, please. I want them to help me talk to women's leader on my mother's behalf, please. Please.
Nancy, stop disturbing yourself. Go back home and talk to your mother over the 5 million naira. If she brings it, the villagers will accept to participate in the burial. Simple.
Please. You can help me. Please, I beg you.
Nancy, please. See, I don't have time for this, so Biko. I don't have time. You have to go now. Just leave. Biko.
Ikenna, please.
Leave now. See, Ikenna, what is it? Why are you here now? Go and talk to your mother.
Please. Ikenna, please.
Biko.
Please, I beg.
No, leave. Just leave here. Yes, you're not power. Leave here. I don't know why.
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I was on my way to your house before I met you here.
This is why you're going to my house, hope there's no problem.
Youth leader, please. I want you to help me plead with the youth on my mother's behalf, please. That 5 million naira is too much for my mother to pay.
How can you say 5 million naira is too much when your father was a wedding man before he died? What kind of statement is that?
Youth leader, please. My mother is planning for my father's burial and we don't have such money anymore.
See, look,
please.
if she doesn't have the money, she should go and dig the grave herself. See, this should be the last time you block me on the way and tell me this. I don't think you will come to my house and tell me this same thing. Don't try it. I will not take it from you. This should be the last time.
Youth leader, please
See,
me.
Don't block me. Don't block. You will not like my actions. If you block me again, you will not like my actions. And don't come to my house and tell me this again.
Please.
Oh, your daughter stopped you yesterday to plead on behalf of her mother.
Shuka, don't even have pity on these people. They are very wicked.
Chuka, Tobe, the truth is that Nancy is a very nice girl. Without disputing that, Nancy is a very nice girl. But her mother is a Jezebel. So because of that, she must pay that money. There's no two ways about it.
See, I am glad you guys know me. See, nothing will make me change my mind until they bring that money.
Correct.
They must bring it!
No, come on. We don't need their money for anything at all. We don't need it. We just want them to know the importance of their people. They think their money can buy life. Huh? We don't need it.
At least our people are now free from their intimidation. Huh? And this village is calm since that man died. His daughter should just go and be crying around the village. Very soon,
Chuka.
You are saying your own, eh?
Chuka, see, don't mind what Tobe is saying. We need that money. If they don't want it, collect it. Me and you will share it.
Simple. Me, I will take that money.
Correct.
I will take the money. Nothing will change it.
I like your spirit when it comes to
tell
money.
me to forget money?
Business minded.
Why will I forget
collect
money?
the money, let's share. There's
should insult us. Insult us.
You see that
we'll
money?
Take the money.
Collect it, we will share. If they don't want it, me and you alone. Me and you alone will share.
Hey, so you mean Chief Ibeto's daughter keep telling you to talk to Mua? Me, nobody. Wonder
Yes,
shall never
Mama.
end.
She has visited me like 2 times now. Crying. I should talk to you on her mother's behalf so that you can help her convince the woman leader.
Oh no, okay, woman leader. Don't go there. Don't go there. That woman hates their family with passion. That is everything about them. It irritates her. So don't even go there. Even no, okay, woman leader.
Hey, you are serious.
Hey,
Mama, are you serious?
Wonder shall never end.
That means all the villagers are in support of this 5 million naira offer.
Imaburo, everybody is in support. Haga only that money. Even the women agreed on that. Hey, this
is a serious case too. Anyway, they have the money. They should go ahead and pay it.
Let them pay. If they don't pay, we will not come. Very wicked family.
Mazi, I cannot accept such. I cannot. That woman must pay us 5 million naira for us to participate in that burial. And if she goes and hire other youths to dig that grave, we will go there and set that place ablaze.
Chuka, my son, I know you have every reason to be angry. After all, Ibeto was not a very good man.
And she's not a good woman too. Have you forgotten how she treated the widows of this kingdom? Just the other day, she splashed water on Chinedu and Ifeanyi's mothers. And you expect me to forgive her just like that?
You see, what I'm trying to tell you is that, you don't pay evil with evil. You're still a young man and karma can always come back. Don't pay evil with evil. You are the youth's leader. And you have every opportunity to sway the minds of the youth towards what they should be doing.
Mazi, there is nothing I can do. I know I'm the youth leader and I have people who've come to terms and agreement about this. There's nothing I can do. That woman has to pay the 5 million naira and that is the best. See, Mazi, if she brings the 5 million naira, call me to order. I will listen to you. But right now, there's nothing I can do. Mazi, if this is it, I'm sorry I have to take my leave. I'm sorry, I have to start going. There's nothing I can do. I have to start going.
My son.
Because of money, I pray that one day my enemy must bow. Because of ego, I pray one day my enemy must bow. Because of ego, one day my enemy must bow.
Bye.
Because of
I'm gonna do. Wait. Take a wait. Calm down.
enemy must bow.
Maola. You don't know your elders again.
How much you're not wrong?
Ne, take my house. This one you are eating and drinking.
Stop
what
now.
Are you celebrating? Mwah.
Can't you see? I am celebrating myself. Life is good.
Ooh, if and good. Well, celebrating yourself. What did you win? What did you win?
Why are you asking like you don't know what is happening in this village? Eh? Oh, dear.
Come back. Don't tell me that this your chicken and this your motajuro is because of the death of Chifi Beto.
Exactly. Can't you see that our enemies has finally bowed and surrendered to us? Eh? Look at Chifi Beto's wife with her daughter going around the village begging people to forgive them and participate in the burial. Eh? What's it, Yena?
Nkenne.
Easy now. What is I'm hearing you?
How many times did I call you? See, my dear, you see in this world, never you mock the dead. Nobody knows tomorrow.
See me, I am not mocking the dead. I am celebrating the living. Yes, because Chifi Beto's wife never imagined that such tragedy will befall her and she will look for her people. Ifogonian, she thinks her money will buy her husband's life.
The truth is that I understand that they really dealt with everybody in this village. But they are still our people. We can't just throw them away like that. Yes, we cannot. We can't build them like that. Believe you me, I know by now they have realized their mistakes and understand the importance of people in everyone's life.
Mama, please. Stop this, eh? What is all this now? You see all this sympathy you are showing to them? I don't like it. Yes, because they deserve everything they are saying now. They are wicked people. Yes.
So say that I'm known.
Makida, I want you to hear it. If you want to enjoy with me, you better join me, okay?
I'm not enjoying anything.
So stop disturbing my peace.
You spoilt my mood.
No problem. I'll see you. After this one, I'll still buy another.
You still buy another one?
Honey? Anne, it's been 2 weeks now. Ibeto has been in the mortuary. And these people refuse to change their mind. To me, I suggest you give them the money.
It is what I thought of doing. Since I cannot bury my husband without his people.
So, you both are suggesting we offer them the 5 million naira.
So these people are actually insisting that you must pay that 5 million naira before they must participate in the burial?
I've been pleading and they didn't want to listen. So that's what I have to do. Mom, that is the best thing to do. Yes, you have to give them the 5 million naira. Had it been you were nice to these people, this amount of money would have gone a long way. Huh? Now just look at it. You have to give it to them.
Emeka Queen.
Yeah.
Where's one?
Yeah.
My people, I greet each and every one.
Greetings, Chairman.
Normally, a meeting of this nature will be held in my house. But Tobechi insists that the check, which is a criteria for them attending the burial ceremony of your late friend Ibetu, be presented here in his house. So, Romanos, over to you.
Thank you, Mbachu. I am here with the check of 5 million naira I was asked to bring in respect of my friend and brother Ibeto. One more thing I must say, I am very sorry for all that happened. We are very sorry for everything. That is the check. The 5 million naira.
5 million, ba?
5 million.
Very important.
Anyway, this is a good development. Since you have brought the check of 5 million we asked for, we are forgiving you and will participate in the burial. Chairman, here is the check. Yeah, it's complete.
Okay. Romanus, it's good you have brought the check. But, contrary to what he just said, I want you to know that this check is just a criteria for the youths participating in the burial of your friend. It doesn't mean that you have been forgiven.
Yes.
You and your friend hurt the entire community, not just the youths, not just myself. So I want you to have that at the back of your mind.
But you people asked them to bring 5 million naira. And we brought the check. Why not just forgive them?
Uncle.
Yamma. I'll come and catch you. You brought 5 million, we'll not forgive you. Yamma.
I want to let you know the reasons for our actions.
Romabidike, please. Please, I need your help. I need your help.
This one you're just breathing like this. What is it? I hope all is well.
Romabidike, I need your help. My father is very, very sick. Yeah, and he needs medical attention. I need money to take him to the hospital. Because, please, I will pay you back, Romabidike. Because,
and I would have loved to give you this money, but this money now belongs to my wife, because I want to give my wife this money to go and plait her hair and buy some clothes for herself so that she will be looking good. Yes, so I can't give you this money now.
Obidike, please help me convince your wife. Help me convince her with very little money from this guy. Help me. Please, I will pay you back. Borrow me, Obidike. You are my friend now. Please, Obidike.
See, I don't want to see my wife being sad. That is where my heart lies. In fact, I'm ready to die for my wife. Understand? So I can't do any other thing. Oh, the way no, you know?
Obidike, don't do this to me.
You are my friend now.
Yes, you are my friend. Please help me, Obidike. Obidike, please, please. Please. But you thank God I met you here. Please, I need your help. My father is very sick and I need to take him to the hospital. I need your help. Please borrow me money. Let me take him to the hospital so that they will start treating him. I beg. I'm begging you.
Your father will be fine, you know. But it is yesterday he told me about this thing. I would have given you the money. You know, I went to buy goods yesterday from my shop. You know, the little 10,000 naira I have there, I want to go and give it to my sister. Well,
But you please.
Your father will be fine.
But you please, we are talking about my father's health. Please help me.
As you
Help
can see,
me.
this son is too much.
Okay, wait. Give me that 10,000 naira. I will pay you back. Please,
I don't
give me
need
that 10,000.
See, this son is too much.
This is your friend. Please, Baju. Don't do this to me.
Come on,
Baju, please. Baju, please. Poverty. Baju.
How is my father? How is he? Is he getting better?
Your father is dead already.
No! It can't be serious. No, but you asked me to stay outside. Why are you telling me that my father is dead?
My friend, your father died before I even touched him.
No!
He came late.
No! It was few minutes ago that one elderly man in my village directed me to you. Why are you telling me that my father is dead? It can't be serious.
No. Yeah, friend, you came late. You came late. I wish
no!
you came early.
No, my father! No! Papa! Papa, what cloud?
I'm just coming from the house. I didn't meet anybody at home.
What happened? Why is your face like this? I'm just coming back from the house. I didn't meet anybody at home.
Beto, Papa is dead.
Oh my God. What happened to him?
He has been sick for the past 2 weeks now.
Oh my God.
Beto,
Oh my
Papa
God.
is
What
dead
happened to
too.
him?
Papa is dead.
Jesus. Don't worry, my friend. Let's go home and let's discuss about it. Let's go and discuss about it. Romanus, you mean nobody in this village rendered help to you?
Nobody. Except Edazu, who directed me to this here. Before I could get that place, Papa has already given up.
You mean Mbachu and Obdike have the money, they don't want to help?
A day shall come when they will need my help in this village.
Romanus, my brother, you have to stop crying. I believe the reason why they don't want to help you, their father has died. That's why they want your own father to die as well. Heartless people everywhere. Stop crying, everything will be fine, okay? Be a man. Be a man. I'm here. Stop crying, okay? You have to be a man. Be a man.
Nobody in this village was ready to render help to us. Mbacho has the money, but refused to give to me. Obidike, Tobechi's father, even brought out money in my presence, but refused to give it to me. I dated Ifoma just to get back at Mbachu. Well, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for everything that happened. I'm so sorry. Please, forgive me. I'm my late friend. We are so sorry.
So you did all that just for a payback? How is it our fault? In fact, you're also a wicked man. Very wicked. Romanus, I don't know how I feel about this revelation you just made. If I say I'm not surprised, I would be lying. So you dated, slept with my own daughter, just to get back at me for a crime I know not? So you did all you did to the youths and people in the community for something that was done to you ages ago?
It will be your job.
Mazin Bachu,
my son,
since Chief Romanus have brought the 5 billion naira check like we requested, I think we should forgive him. Chief Romanus, I want to assure you that the youths of this kingdom will participate in the burial, just like we promised. Huh? Let's forgive him. Huh? One name. Is that not it?
Promise, but you brought the check doesn't mean we will go to the burial. We will come anyway, but we have not forgiven you. Collected my land and beat me on top of it. It's
okay.
Romanus, the youths have decided to forgive you. And I believe that is the general sentiment. Who am I to refuse your forgiveness? To err is human, to forgive is divine. So we're going to forgive you, but on one condition.
Wow.
You will return all the land and property you and your friend forcefully took from the youths, from the widows, from the orphans, and from the less privileged in the society. You will return each and every one of them as a form of restitution. That is the only way you will be forgiven.
Final.
Do you agree or don't you agree?
Option.
Chief Romanus, they are asking you, do you agree or not?
Collected my own.
You will return everything you took from everybody. Chief Romanus is asking you a question. Are you going to return it or not?
Only option. You need the only option. They collected my own as well. Now, will you agree?
You have to return it.
One forgiveness, one return the other. Well,
yes. I agree to return all the lands I collected from the people.
Very simple.
In that case, stand. You are hereby forgiven. Go and sin no more. And as a sign of our peace, we're going to hug you in reconciliation.
Bajo. Thank you so much. Youth leader.
Chief Romanus.
Thank you so much. Tobe. Tobe woke. People can keep as well. Tobe woke. Hello. Yeah, we put here. Yeah, come on, yeah, everywhere. Oh yeah, now.
All those things happened today. Hey! But I missed something. How I wish I was around to witness this interesting story.
Those men are terrible. They humiliated our people because of their encounter with our father. Mazin Bacho and the villagers who are not even alive.
Have the youths and villagers accepted to participate in the burial ceremony?
Yes, they forgive them. And they offered them the sum of 5 million naira. The villagers have no choice than to accept it.
At least they have learnt their lesson. I believe after the burial, Chief Ibeto's wife will change and embrace her.
Be strong, don't lose hope at all. If I found metal of edges, if I blew, in my name, I see if I got no low. If I found metal, I got no low. Plenty money, all the enemies, they must bow. The bet you don't land here with plenty money. All the magas, they must bow. The bet you don't land here with plenty money. All the enemies, they must bow. The bet you don't land here with plenty money. All the magas, they must bow. The bet you don't land here with plenty money. All the enemies, they must bow. When power jump power, the lesser power go bow. I could never fool, I could not money stops nonsense. Power don't change hand. You thought you're all out all. Maga, you must bow. The anger of the youth don't follow you. Even the orphans, you no escape from them. You go pay for all your